Yes, hello everybody. Hello, thank you. Hold your applause, yo. Thank you very much. I'm here. I have arrived. It's just me. You know what I'm saying? I came by myself. I was gonna bring P.O., but he was busy doing a movie with Master P. You know what I'm saying? But I'm here, shining at the Met Gala. Y'all other bitches is looking wild stupid. Like, I see you with your little mattress on and shit, like wearing little Vetements duvet shit. Like, I'm over here with my shit is popping, okay? You said, what are you wearing? Who are you wearing? This is Fashion Nova. This is the flyest shit out right now. You know what I'm saying? They told me that the theme was camp, so I got my Fashion Nova castle and I got my sleeping bag. You feel me? And I got my marshmallows and shit like that for we can make s'mores. You know what I'm saying? So this shit is gonna be popping. Yo, word is born. Yo, matter of fact, yo, why y'all not taking pictures of me? Why y'all not taking pictures of me? Why y'all taking pictures of Rihanna? Why you taking a picture of Rihanna? Yo, look at me, motherfucker. Look, it's just saying that, stupid. You know who the fuck I'm is. Like, I'm like the most popping bitch in the whole tri-state. Like, stop playing with me. The Met Gala is that. This is my home game, stupid. Like, yo, stop fucking playing. Put the camera on me. Put the camera on me, my nigga. Like, stop fucking playing with me before I fuck around and throw a shoe at you, one of y'all motherfuckers. Stop playing with me. Yo, I got a sore throat from yelling at y'all motherfuckers all week, yo. I tell these niggas, when I pull up in my fucking Subaru, you know what I'm saying? That's my Uber driver. Shout out to Julio, you know what I'm saying? He does work on the weekends. But when I pull up, show me some fucking respect, yo. Put the fucking thing, I'm gonna lay down on the stairs like Diddy. Don't play with me. Fuck out of here. I'm going in here. I don't care. I'm going in. Man, you're not invited. No, I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck. I'll come back, I'll shoot this whole shit up. You stupid? You think the machete's part of my costume, nigga? I will chop you. Get the fuck out of here, yo. Matter of fact, yo, you know what? Fuck this shit. I'm gonna go, you know what I'm gonna go somewhere with way more popping. I'm gonna go to the Bodega Boys and Milk Studios in the jam room. I'm gonna go chill over there because that's where the shit is really popping at. That's where the art is really popping at. Not this fucking fake ass bullshit Party City costume bullshit that y'all niggas be doing where y'all rich white people wearing stupid shit. Deca aluminum foil. Katy Perry over here with fucking nipple clamps on. Get the fuck out of here. Lena fucking dumb, whatever the fuck her name is, looking like fucking Martin Short and shit in a fucking Men's Warehouse suit. Stupid. This shit is whack. Fuck y'all niggas. I'm off this. I'm doing episode 158, Bodega Boys. Motherfucking do the drop, nigga. I'm out of here. Yo, Julio, don't leave. I'm coming. It's a round trip. I'm getting back in the Uber. Fuck y'all niggas, yo. Your dress isn't even that popping, Rihanna. Fuck out of here. Do the drop, stupid.
Episode 158 of the world's most dangerous podcast. The only podcast that if you leave it playing while you sleep, you could OD.
You could, yeah.
Start having fucked up dreams. You running around in the Bronx.
You need Narcan.
Shit's wild.
Shit'll fucking fuck you up.
Yo, Bodega Boys in the building. Come to you live from the Jam Room in Milk Studios. You know what it is. You know the vibes. Shout out to Square Cash. Shout out to, who else we got sponsoring? We got Narcan.
Yeah.
Haven't shouted them out in a while. They've been busy saving lives.
You know what I'm saying? They did the Nasdaq spray shit now.
Yeah, they got to come up with like new Narcan, like something you put in people's butts and shit.
Diet Narcan? Or anal Narcan?
A suppository Narcan.
Suppository Narcan?
Because then like you wouldn't risk like nodding out in public because then you know it's gonna like pull down your pants and put something in your cheeks.
Yeah.
See? That'll get you off that. See? That'll get you after that stuff. So talk to these high schoolers. Listen. Huh? You want to wake up and find out people putting things in your butt?
Huh?
Yeah. Stay off that smack.
Stay off the dope. No hope and dope.
No hope and dope.
All right?
Just say no.
Just say no to butthole.
Actually, you know what? We got a little extra money in the budget. I'd like to introduce to you teen heartthrob Joey Lawrence.
Whoa.
Okay, kids, if they want to sell you drugs, just say whoa.
Whoa, just say no. Whoa. Hey, Blossom, how do you still get money and I'm broke?
Who the fuck is this guy?
I had a really popular sitcom in the 90s.
How's he a teen heartthrob? He's like 40.
Hey, listen to this. Whoa. Huh? You remember that? Oh no, nigga! I was born in 1995.
Look up your man's hairline. I try not to shame, but he got the wild look. If you're gonna get
he shaved his dome.
No, if you're gonna get a new hairline, don't get a widow's peak.
Oh,
he got a wild triangle right there.
His shit is looking tragic,
and then he had to shave it anyway, which is like
tragic kingdom. Sad to see. Hate to see it.
Damn, nigga looks like he's a Bang Bros.
That's gotta suck. Of like if you're an actor and then like one day you have a catchphrase. Because you know there's a limited time on that, and then the writers are always writing the catchphrase into your scenes and shit. You're just like, oh, I gotta say again. Really?
Imagine Steve Urkel. Like Steve Urkel towards the end of Family Matters, he's just walking and phoning it in. He's like, did I do that? Did I do that?
They could take like a fucking 4-hour flight to do a meet and greet.
Got any cheese?
Me, 100 people be like, did I do that? He got the suspenders. Like, Oh my God,
he's gonna go.
It's Jaleel White. No. My name is Jaleel. It's Steve Urkel, nigga.
Yeah. No, I'm Jaleel White. I'm a SAG
nigga
actor.
Like, walking in through like the fucking hotel and someone slaps it or tray out his hands. Like, did you do that?
Yo.
Did you do that?
Yo, I was in Hamilton though. Where's
Carl? Where's Carl? Where's Stefan?
Oh,
where's your transformation booth?
Oh my God, yo. You really thought I was gonna fuck Laura?
It's just crazy, bro.
You really thought I was gonna fuck Laura?
That's crazy.
You know what I'm saying? It wasn't gonna happen, B. Wasn't gonna happen.
Is Laura? What's Laura up to now?
Do you guys remember the final episode of Family Matters? Did he ever?
I like
to think that maybe he did in the final.
Oh, he beat?
Maybe.
That was like the whole half an hour was just him smashing
Tell me she didn't
on the
beat
table. And Carl was just like, Steve.
Harriet was like, "You're doing great, baby."
The crowd was like, woo,
Ow, woo, yeah,
blow that back out, Steve. Yeah.
That little Richie nigga with the jerry gun comes in. He's like, "Oh wow."
Steve's fucking robot helper comes through like, do you need lube?
Yo, the crazy shit about that show is that like they never mentioned that like little Richie had no pops.
I was 1,000% sure his pops was Lionel Richie. So
Oh, your niggas got the same hair.
Yeah,
That's why they call you little Richie.
oh,
Hello.
oh, in the series finale, Steve and Laura get engaged.
Oh, of course.
That shit is whack. Season finale should have been like Steve had enough and just murders everybody. Just kills that, goes from room to room, and we just see them screaming like, "Oh!" He's like, "I guess I did do that." Yeah.
Did you do this?
Oh,
you did this to me.
He's like,
wow.
He takes the blood and he smears cheese on the wall and shit. Because Carl wasn't that good a cop. You never seen Carl like shooting shit, and you never seen like. First of all, where do they live? That the front door and the back door were always wide open.
In Chicago.
You know what I'm saying? I don't want to turn into a MAGA voter, but you know, I've read the stats.
Listen,
okay?
I don't know too much about Chicago, but I heard people talk about Chicago suburbs, and I've seen pictures that don't look like suburbs.
And you never seen Carl come down like tiptoeing down the steps with the 4-5 up like this. Like, yo, who the fuck is there?
Yo, who that?
Announce yourself.
Yo, who that?
In theory, he should have shot
CPD.
He should have shot Steven a couple of times.
Mad times.
It's like mad jumpy coming into the kitchen or some shit.
Because he never just came in the door. He didn't knock and be like, "Hey, Steve." He would just be like, "Pow!
Mm-hmm.
Hey guys!" And he'd do that wild Kramer slide in and shit. I'm like, "Yo, my nigga, no. You getting clapped? You run up in my crib like that, you getting clapped."
There's absolutely no reason for anyone to ever run up in your crib.
No,
Never.
don't come in my house ever, unannounced, unplanned, and especially if you're not knocking. If the door's open, nigga, leave that shit open and knock.
When I was in Mississauga at my aunt's house, like she didn't lock her front door, and like her friends would just like walk in and be like, "Hey man," I was like, "Y'all niggas bugging? Have y'all niggas lost your mind?
Are you crazy?"
I was like, if this was America, woo! Listen,
You know what I'm saying?
we increased the murder rate. But then I was like, maybe America's just fucked up and we don't trust everybody.
True. Also true.
Yeah. They leave their purses in their cars and with the windows down.
I'm like, yo, y'all are bugging.
No, but then is it like, are they bugging or is it just like our lifestyle is so shitty and like we're not, you can't trust people.
There's no honor system.
There's no honor. There's no honor among teens. So sad. Used to be able to like, back in the day, you could leave your toddler outside and you didn't have to worry about him getting snatched up and touched. Now,
you don't remember that Swedish couple got in like mad trouble because they just left their baby in a carriage like outside in a restaurant.
I remember that
about a decade ago
in like Brooklyn or some shit like that.
And we were like, nah.
Everybody's like, yo, you bugging?
What are you doing?
That's a fresh white baby. You bugging?
Yo, that's a dead stock white baby, nigga.
This nigga leaving off whites outside.
Yo. They didn't even change the laces on this nigga, B.
Yo. Niggas picking up the baby and smelling it like, oh, that's just still got that baby scent. Yo, shit.
They pull a little shoe tree out of the nigga like,
go put the baby on StockX. Thank you, Victoria. Give it up for Victoria. Yay.
You know what I'm saying? You could hear her very unenthusiastically saying Bodega Boys.
As a drop, she was like Bodega Boys.
She was like, yo, Bodega Boys. These
Bodega Boys.
Whatever.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I'm on fentanyl. Fuck it.
I got a hot take. I got a hot take. The cops make you take off your hat when you take mugshots to hairline shame people.
Of course.
Yeah.
100%.
There's no reason why you shouldn't be allowed to wear a fitted when you're taking a mugshot.
Facts. Especially if you're from New York. If you're a Bronx dude and you roll up and they take your picture in a Yankee fitted, it's like, okay, cool. That's basically a tattoo.
Listen,
you know what I'm saying?
NYPD, we should be allowed. You should allow us to buy copies of our mugshots. Put them on T-shirts, shit like that. I think I got a Fuego one. I got one. I know I definitely was crying, but that's between me and what happened.
It's the adrenaline.
Nah. Like I saw the charges I was facing. I was like, oh shit. I was like,
I got a fire one where it's like,
you got the cornrows. Yeah,
but it was like the Method Man video with Mary J.
So they were kind of undone.
It was like half braided, half not. I was like, that shit was fire, nigga. And I got a black eye.
We need to start a service where we take professional mugshot photos of you. If you know you already live like a wild life, and it's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when. And so when you get arrested, it's like clear when you go into the airport. They're like, fingerprint. And like, no, call my service, call ibthuggin.com, and we send over your fingerprints and
there
your
you go.
photo.
Bang.
Boom. Save you time.
Yo, angel investors, holla at us.
Holla at us.
What's that guy's name? Kappa?
Who?
Kappa?
Kaepernick?
Who? No, the guy that always wears cowboy shirts. He invested in like Amazon and shit mad early.
Lil Nas X?
Where Lil Nas X, Bill Angel investor.
Yes. Because you're my angel.
Is he wearing bolo ties with the shirts?
Yeah.
I respect it.
Listen,
still have no idea.
If someone investing in your company does not wear a bolo tie, I don't know. It might be. Listen, I need that bolo tie.
Baby.
I need someone who went to Texas once.
I need
completely stop dressing normal.
Exactly. I need to know that you have fossil fuel money on deck.
I need to see you come tea, black gold.
There you go,
black gold. Yo, you remember when they thought there was oil at the high school? What was the high school Saved by the Bell?
Bayside.
Yeah, Bayside. I'm off this morning.
Also, here's a financial tip from the Bodega Boys. Okay, invest in helium.
Oh, word, because it's a very limited supply.
There's a limited supply. Helium futures is looking up. It's just gonna go up from here. It was like mad money. He was like, yo, invest in helium.
Yo, do it.
The kids love it.
Yay!
No, Party City is closing 45 stores because they're running out of helium. I think maybe they're lying. I think maybe no one wants to have a fucking party. Maybe you don't need to go to Party City to have a party.
Party City is basically Dollar Tree with more stuff.
There you go. And then Party City be having like super specific shit for holidays, and it's like, yo, fam, I'm not like I don't feel like a piñata is like appropriate for Martin Luther King Day.
Oh, I'm turning 50 today, so let me get
a 5 and a 0 balloon.
Yeah, whoa, and let me get a cane with like a honking horn on it.
Someone's engaged. Let me put a fake ball in the chain on their leg.
This is a cool garter.
Wow, we're pretty miserable.
I mean, you know.
Yeah. Damn.
Not miserable.
People just want to have fun and like the little things in their life, and we're just pissing on them.
Well, I guess.
Yeah. It be like that. Yeah.
But does it need a whole store? I think that's valid.
Party City.
45 of them, nonetheless.
I mean, they're probably in different locations. This is probably one in like Memphis.
Okay.
They're not all in like
45 in the Bronx.
They're all in Queens.
Yeah, I can see that. They're all
right next to each other.
They're all on Queens Boulevard.
They're all in Queens Center Mall. Queens Center Mall is just 40 Party Cities.
Nah, you're not going to slander the Queens Center Mall.
That's right.
We went through a rebrand.
All right.
We got an Armani exchange now.
Rep your mall.
You know what I'm saying? Rep your mall, nigga. Word up.
Rep your mall. What?
Okay. I'm pretty sure we got an Apple store now, too.
Straight up. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, you guys do.
Right.
Apple stores used to be the flex. Now they just be everywhere.
It's like Whole Foods, nigga.
Yeah, it's just like
they put Whole Foods in the hood. You're like, all right, cool, nigga. That shit is like half foods.
Yeah. Shout out to the Whole Foods on 125th Street. They be popping. A lot of people in there. They fuck with the brand.
Not like the Pathmark.
They let you skip the line. Well, they let me skip the line. And I was just like, oh, it was like Michael Jackson. I was like, please don't look at me, please.
Blanket.
I was like, sorry.
Blanket.
Then people was like, they was like, yo, why he skipping the line? I was like, popping podcast late night.
You'd be like, yo, sorry. No, you should just turn around and be like, don't be ignorant.
Don't be ignorant.
You're ignorant.
I was like, here's my 3 avocados. That'll be $74. I was like, all right. And they were like, do you want to hook this up to your Amazon Prime account? You'll save like 20%. I was like, nope.
No.
So you can.
Sorry.
So now Amazon will know what I'm eating. Yeah. All right.
You good?
Nope. That's why every night, late at night, I just Google shit that I Amazon. Yep. I look for stuff on Amazon that I know I would never buy.
I started doing that
off the algorithm.
Yeah.
Looking at mad baby bonnets.
Yeah. I'm like, yo, why is Mero looking at nuts and bolts for 3 hours? I don't even need them, nigga.
I was looking at like the meat grinding machines that the delis have. Oh, deli slicers, I believe they're called.
Yeah.
And you know what? Fucking around, I almost bought one.
Them shit is good.
Think about it, like why? If I'm on one of the most popping late night shows on television, you know what it is.
You know what I'm saying?
It's showtime.
These are Mero. Why should I have to like get my cold cuts at the supermarket? Why can't I do them in the comfort of my
Do it at
kitchen?
home. You got a bread maker, right?
Yeah, I haven't baked bread in a while, man.
You know what I'm saying?
What's up? You still baking over there, Victor?
Yeah.
Little focaccia?
I am. I've actually moved on to pies.
Ooh.
Wow. Little secret. Pie crust is the same as biscuit dough. It's just without the baking powder.
Oh, shit.
Wow.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Knowledge, nigga.
Wow. Wow, this podcast has turned into something.
You asked. You know what I got up to. You asked.
It's the Baking Boys.
Yeah.
You know what? I never understood the difference between baking powder and baking soda. I mean, I understand it now, but as a kid, I was like, isn't it the same thing?
I mean,
And I once tried to make a volcano using baking powder. It's not the same.
I once tried to make crack using baking powder.
You can.
Also
It
not the
doesn't.
same.
It doesn't have the same effect.
Don't hit the same.
You need that. You need that bonita. You need that B12. You want them to get that fucking Russian in those. You know what I'm saying? Ah, my body's on fire. Yeah. This feed is on fire. Got to throw a blanket on him. He's like, I'm burning. It's 50 degrees.
Sir. You just hear out of nowhere. He needs some milk.
Shout out to anyone nodding out while listening to this.
Yo, shout out to all my dope fiends.
All my dope fiends. Getting that dog food.
You know what I'm saying?
Y'all say spending the day. You wake up,
Yo.
grab a brush and get a little makeup. No, they wake up and it's just like,
Oh, God.
no, I wake up and it's like, yo, how we getting it? How we getting krills? How we getting krills? That's all that's in my mind. How we getting krills?
Yo.
How we getting krills?
That low key, that's like a great existence because you're like, it's so singular. Like, that's
Yeah,
all you
but-
got to worry about.
But that's all you got to worry about.
That's it.
No, like you don't worry about like you know, like
Fam, when you're a
being
crackhead,
clean
you
and
don't
shit.
give a fuck about nothing else.
Yeah, but that's not fun. Like you would probably want to be able to think about something else at some point.
But it doesn't
You just
matter.
think about getting krills, and you get krills, and you think about getting more krills.
Somebody just hijacked the crows, just hijacked your brain. It's like, yo, we
Yeah.
run this shit now, nigga. What's
Yeah.
up? So then it's like, yo,
This is Krill Town.
Krill Town now.
I'ma take you down to Krill Town Road. I'm gonna smoke till I can't no more.
Gonna hit that glass dick right on hard. You know what I'm saying?
I got the horse dick in the back,
Yeah.
and I'm smoking crack. Joey Lawrence is like, whoa. Oh.
Got a beige hat and the crack is black and match.
We talk about a lot of crack and ass eating on this podcast.
We do. Shout out to us.
158 episodes of that.
You know what I'm saying? There's very niche podcasts. There's podcasts where niggas sit around and talk about baking bread for 2 hours.
Yeah. Yeah. Should we spin off in the 3 separate pod? I think next week each one of us does a 1 hour podcast on a different topic. You do one on baking. What's yours going to be on?
Drugs.
Drugs. All right. I'm going to do one on. Let me see. What's something I talk about that people like to hear about? Let me see. Conspiracies. Yeah. I'll talk about how eventually everyone in New York City is going to die because if you ride the subway, every time the train comes into the station, when they press the brakes on the train, the steel wheels stop and they grind against the tracks, which causes these tiny, and you can't even see them, they're magnetic shavings. Iron shavings, and they're flying. It's like dust constantly flying through the subway, and when you're breathing it in.
All the time.
So think about it. When you see people working on the subway, they got respirators on. Now you just standing there like a dummy with your earpods, like la da da da. Where's the L? Just breathing in some asbestos.
Can't wait to
So the
get to
MTA
Bedford.
is killing us. So we should all do a class action lawsuit. Using the class action lawsuit, we buy the MTA and we make it free for everybody.
Bang.
Boom.
Just call us up. Salino and Barnes.
Yes.
Nigga attorneys.
And the way we keep the subway free is everybody has to take turns cleaning it. So that we like post a schedule with every New Yorker on it, and you go and you look when you
Like jury duty.
yeah,
But like
exactly
train duty.
He's like, oh shit, I gotta go clean the train. Exactly.
Bang. And then your boss can tell you shit.
And then if you're like mad dirty and you leave shit, we just have like we have like a commercial where we show people and it's like someone's TT like today is Shammers.
Oh, you supposed to clean the train today and you didn't clean the train. Looky.
Can we throw people in jail for that?
Hell yeah.
Yeah.
Giuliani was throwing people in jail for being homeless.
That's true. That is true.
Like, straight up.
Straight up. All
Like,
right.
he's like, yo, you got a place to live? No? All right, nigga, I'll give you a place to live. It's called jail, nigga.
That'd be a good movie if like we became the mayor, but it's both of us.
Yeah.
Bodega Boys running New York.
For like booty gang? Like booty gang?
Booty judge.
Booty judge. Booty judge.
Booty
Booty
judge.
judge. Booty.
Booty judge.
I always read things phonetically. I was ready like
Who do you think you're talking to? Like, come on. 99% of the words I say I mispronounce. Do I make an attempt to clean it up? No.
No. That's his thing now.
That's my thing. People
Fuck
know.
outta here.
People know. The way LL used to lick his lips.
Yeah.
And the way like Tracy Morgan be like, yo, that titty got an eyeball. This is my thing.
Titty got an eyeball.
That titty got an eyeball.
Shout out to Tracy Morgan. He's a wild dude.
He is if you say he's a wild dude, that really raises the bar for wild dudes. I think he's surpassed wild dude. He's legendary. He's up here. He's out there. Yo, be sure to go to bodegahive.com for Desus and Mero on tour.
That's
you
right.
can see us in Miami, in Austin, in LA, in Houston, in Dallas, and then we are performing live in Istanbul.
Yo, and let me tell you something.
Well, I'm being told we are not going to Istanbul. Okay, wow.
Oh, okay. All right.
Sorry, guys.
Maybe next time.
The other ones are happening, though.
You know what I'm saying? But let me tell you something. We are getting minute to the minute ticket counts, and LA is selling out really fucking fast. So you better go get the motherfucking tickets, dog.
Yeah, don't be a square. Don't be the only person in your classroom that didn't go. Actually, I don't know if it's like classroom. Probably older crowd.
Yeah. Or what, your job, class, whatever.
Cause you're getting a fully fleshed out performance time. We're gonna do that whole thing that Janet Jackson does, where she pulls someone in from the audience, and we start giving them the wild Terrence Howard lap dance and shit. Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
I'm gonna do the Elephant Man shit. I'm gonna be picking chicks up.
Yeah,
them
big
around,
joints and
big
shit.
joints.
We do the fucking Kanye pyrotechnic shit.
Oh
and
my
just have
God.
Skepta with the wild flamethrower in the
Y'all are
back.
gonna be sick when Victor does the pink routine, dangling over the crowd and
with the fucking little
What
strings.
about us? What about all the things we do? He's like in the unitard spinning.
Yeah.
It's so beautiful.
Oh my God, it's art.
I think I'm gonna get on my full Kanye for this shit and have him like build a mountain set and shit.
Yeah,
and
just
have
come up
like,
with like a crystal mask.
and we're gonna
shit.
have like fucking just like biblical sketches for no reason.
no reason at all. Man, not sequiturs.
We're gonna do like the AKs and then it's gonna go dark and it's gonna wake up and it's gonna be like Joshua and God's gonna be like sacrifice your son.
Yeah,
and they're gonna be like, is that Matt Walsh?
What the fuck?
Did they get actual? Do they have actual actors? Like we can get these people.
Okay, and then the lights go back down. They come back up, and it's just Paul Scheer covered in blood. Like flesh of my flesh, blood of my blood. Like yo,
I was
dude,
like, yo, they were on stage for 15 minutes.
Yeah.
We just come out, do the AKs and bounce.
Good night.
Good night, y'all. That was amazing.
That's incredible.
We're just gonna have Vince Staples. And he's just gonna be sitting at the table writing lyrics for just dead silence for 10 minutes.
Yo,
I think we can make this happen.
yeah, for sure. Yeah, it's gonna get to a point where we can just do whatever. Like,
I think we're at that point already.
I'm pretty much. When we get the Vegas residency, that's when
That's gonna be wild.
Ooh, that's when niggas are really gonna be phoning in.
Oh, that's when we're gonna be cooning it up. I might be eating chicken on stage.
Yo,
Come out on a hoverboard.
yeah, niggas
That's just gonna be like Jersey Boys, but from the Bronx. Growing up on 233rd,
Shoobity-bop.
I always thought, you know what? It'd be swell to be famous. So I ran to my favorite spick, Mero.
Hey, how you doing?
Hey, why don't me and you, we be famous? We could be the Bodega Boys.
But I'm from East Tremont. You're from 233rd. How could we make this work?
Bow, bow, bow. They were different.
Boom, 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 boom. Hey, I got an idea.
What's the idea?
It's about a girl wearing short shorts.
What?
We could do a song. You want to do it?
Yeah.
How's it gonna go?
Hey, you girl in the Ponte shorts.
Hey, yeah. Hey, boom, Oscar, nigga.
There you
what's
go,
up?
boom.
Holla.
Bronx Boys, directed by Spike Jones. We're wearing like scuba gear and shit.
And Spike Lee.
Spike Lee.
And they start fighting over this halfway through the shit.
It's my show. Yo, you gotta get your phone fixed, bro.
Yeah, I don't know what the fuck is wrong with this shit.
I respect the flex of having your phone not on vibrate.
But and I don't know who's this. What area code is 717?
717. Someone right now is like, I live in 717. Area code 717. South Central Pennsylvania.
Yeah. What the fuck is that?
Harrisburg, Lancaster, and New York, and Dutch County.
Yeah, no.
Are you having an affair with an Amish broad?
No. I'm getting my butter churned on the weekends.
Daddy, pick up your butters ready.
Yo, what's good, yo?
Is Amish you said you?
Yo, what's good, y'all? Let's go for a ride in my coach, yo. Yo, I built this shit from scratch, my nigga. Look at my hands. They mad careless and shit.
I never touched a cell phone before.
Oh, my God.
What's the internet?
Yo, you want to do something real sexy?
Yo, I'm about to go on Rumspinger so I can have wild unprotected sex and regret it.
You know what I'm saying? And by sex, I mean just show you my ankle and let you jerk off in the other room.
Didn't they have, they have Rumspringa. That year, they can wild out for that year. And then at the end of the year, they decide if they're going to be a normie or they're going to go back to being Amish. And most of them go back to being Amish.
That's wild.
I mean,
if you're like, yo, fam, you got to build houses and milk cows and churn butter forever. And then we're going to give you a month off to smash wild cheeks.
It's a year, but if you were raised and all you know is like churning cows and shit, and like that's your community, you're gonna miss that.
Nigga, I just moved to Williamsburg. Nigga, they doing that shit right now. Hey, you can still get ass. Nigga, I be a kinfolk and wives.
Yo, you trying to talk me out of being Amish? Like I'm not Amish, nigga. Okay, you've never walked on me churning butter. I've never said, Mero, what are you doing this weekend? Come to my barn raising.
I mean, it depends on what you mean by churning butter.
Oh, I'll be churning some butter, baby. We need to come up with some sort of Fitbit for when you masturbate and like it saves the energy.
Fam, I was just about to say, let's not pivot into porn and like these niggas what they want. What do you want from us? We're degenerates.
I don't think we're degenerates. This is like people. The amount of people that get our porn references means people are watching porn. It's just we are the only people who are not embarrassed to talk about it. And
think about it like this: if that shit is if that's a real issue, why is there more views on like a regular ass Pornhub like tube site video than there is on like the latest fucking Drake video on YouTube? You know what I'm saying? It's like
I don't know if that's true.
I mean, look, like.
I don't think that's true.
Go on any porn website right now.
You're just trying to get me on porn right now. I know what you're doing. You're not sick. This nigga wants to vicariously watch porn. This nigga's on train looking at my phone. I'm like, yes, I am looking at Anal Gangbang Blasters 7 on the 2 train at 9 a.m. Okay, I'm going through things. You shouldn't be allowed to watch porn in public though. But I've never been scumbag like that.
Nah,
just be like,
that's wild.
You gotta be going that means you can't watch porn at home or some shit. Like,
that's what I'm saying. But like, fam, the whole object of watching porn, I'm assuming, is to beat your meat. Like, who watches porn and it's just like, oh, that was cool.
Sometimes you like a little storyline. Sometimes you like the character development.
No,
you want to see if Shorty's gonna earn enough for her ticket home. This nigga got consumption.
You know what I'm saying? Nah, nigga, I'm just trying to fucking to this day. That's right. You know what I'm saying? I'm just trying to jerk this nigga till I'm like, you know what I'm saying? All over the place.
Nigga shooting melted marshmallow everywhere.
Like, yo, what is that? Fluff? No, don't touch that. Let me get a Lysol wipe.
It's like nobody touched that until daddy come back in the room. Brownie, get away from there.
You gotta stop eating that.
He's like, no.
I'm like, Brownie, you little thot.
It's like, I'm not a Dodger. Oh wow. Yeah. Damn, Aisha Curry.
Yo, Aisha, I mean, look, it's not, I feel like it's really not my place to say this, but like, I'm gonna say it anyway because I don't give a fuck. Why, you're good. Like, you're living good. Like, why, like, the reason that people are Steph Curry groupies is because he's Steph Curry and the nigga makes $100 million a year.
I mean, you know, but she wants to
like, if Steph Curry worked at Best Buy, you think he would have groupies? Let's keep it real. They would go in there and be like, yo, where's the monster cables, you little light-skinned asshole?
He'd have different groupies. If he was light-skinned with green eyes at Best Buy, he would have groupies, but they'd be bringing him like chicken and shit.
Yeah, I just came back from my lunch break, yo.
I was thinking about you. You hungry?
You hungry? I got your
All right.
pastelito, daddy.
Okay.
Zaddy.
Getting all winded coming from that car and shit. Or just real creepy, just following him and shit. But no, he got groupies. But I mean, I get what she's saying. Like, she never was out there like wild and thotting it up. Like, she was raised in like Canada or some shit. She's very modest. You know what I mean? She just wants to be appreciated.
Yeah.
But so you gotta go be careful with that because you can't tell niggas I want to be appreciated because now she's gonna get like wild dick photos and DMs.
You see, you open up Pandora's box, man. You don't do that.
What she should have done is done like a Smooth magazine shoot.
Right.
You go, you do that. And then niggas been beating their meat to you in jail, send you letters like, yo, I eat your curry. Yo, I jerked off to you OD for 5 years. You know what I'm saying?
I eat you like some curry.
That's fucking wild. Yo, I know Steph ain't fucking blowing that back out.
You know what I'm saying?
Yo, get with a real nigga. Man. You know what I'm saying?
I get to the rack. I don't shoot from 40 feet out. You feel me? If you get what I'm saying.
But no. Also, if I'm Steph Curry, I'll be like, yo, that's how you feel?
Word?
That's how you feel? You don't feel appreciated?
Oh.
Okay,
fine.
Take away the Maserati keys. Be like, yo.
How about now?
Here's your Honda CRX. Appreciate that.
Enjoy that.
Oh, that red table thing is like very messy.
What?
Very messy. We're gonna end up on there and talking about some inappropriate shit.
Yo, I'm gonna go up there and just be like, put gaff tape on my mouth and be like,
I got
yo,
nothing to say.
Yeah, I got nothing to say.
Got nothing to say, bro.
I'm just write yes on the gaff tape. And be like, I agree with you, sis.
Why would we be on that show? Oh man,
yeah, you know what I'm saying? Niggas is media trained, bro. We're not fucking up this bag. You stupid.
We're past fucking up the bag now. Like at this point, fucking up the bag's inevitable. We're gonna insult someone that it's gonna be such a casual joke that we don't even think about, and it's just gonna cause some sort of international. We're gonna find out, like, we're gonna say some joke, and it's gonna like insult the king of Saudi Arabia.
Oh yeah,
and he's gonna like try to get us black bagged and some shit. And Donald Trump's gonna be like, I don't see shit.
Damn.
You want those niggas? Take those niggas.
Damn.
I didn't even fuck with their show.
That's crazy.
I don't have Showtime. Fuck them.
After that, you know what I'm saying? When some shit like that happens, it's a long way back.
Ain't no long way back. They gonna take us to Saudi Arabia and kill us, nigga. I'll be like, nah. How come on Hasan show you just like y'all just blocked him? Why we gotta go? Why we getting on this helicopter? Let go of me. Let go. Why we going on this helicopter?
No.
Stop.
No.
Help.
No.
Help.
No. CO. No, this is not a seatbelt. This is a handcuff.
Niggas just dragging us through a train station. It's clearly not cops. And the cops is like, whoa, I'm not getting involved with that.
Hey.
Oh, what is that? Saudi Arabia? Whoa.
Hey, sorry.
Hey, you Aladdin's, do what you got to do.
Hey, all right then. They all got MAGA hats on and shit. You're like, oh shit.
I'm like, damn, we fucked.
I knew it.
We getting dragged in the back of a van. Someone's like, oh shit, Bodega Boys, yo, the brand is strong.
Yo, can I get a selfie real quick before you niggas get murdered?
Yo, can I get a picture with these niggas?
Yo, honestly, they get you to Saudi Arabia and just like you get a peek under your hood and you just see like one person in like traditional garb like look at you and you make eye contact and you're like, they're about to save us. But instead they're just like, is it all worth it? The PX, is it all worth it?
They throw the X up and shit. They throw the X up like, yo.
Nigga about to stab us. He's like, yo, this is inappropriate, but like, yo, like, I just wanted to say before I like cut your heads off, like, yo, I fucked with the brand just like complex, like,
you know what I'm saying?
that shit is, yo, y'all got me through so much shit. Like when I come home after like a long day of chopping niggas' heads,
you know
like I like to smoke the L and like watch y'all shit. Yo, that's my shit.
Niggas start chopping your head. He's like, the brand is strong. Yo, the brand is stronger. So is your spinal column, yo, because this shit is not severing.
All right, don't flinch, nigga. avoid the machete, beloved.
Yo,
like, oh wow, that's dark. That's very dark. That's problematic light. Problematic light. Oh, we just put titties.
What?
You know what? If that's why men don't have titties. If men had titties, they'd be everywhere. You just be seeing titties.
Oh man,
and titties wouldn't have any value.
Zero.
Nigga, if I had a pair of 36 triple D titties,
oh my god,
y'all niggas be like, yo, put them ashy shits away. And also, I probably wouldn't like keep them moisturized. They'd be all calloused and shit.
I wouldn't even leave my house.
Yeah, but just playing with your titties.
Yeah, I'll be playing with titties all day. I
mean, eventually you get tired of playing with your titties.
Yeah.
Like, you don't just stay in your house and beat your dick all the... I mean, unless it's like a week off from the show. But in general, you do not spend all day beating your dick.
That's why I'm applying the same logic. Because I'm like, yo, if I'm at the crib...
But you just sitting there watching TV and licking your own nipple?
You know what I'm saying?
Just sucking on your own titty?
You know what I'm saying? I'll be eating sushi playing with my coochie. You know what I'm saying? Like,
I didn't say you had a coochie. Okay?
Oh, just titties on
just
coochie?
Just titties, no coochie.
Oh, damn.
Yeah.
I mean, but
you like found...
nipples
you found
in
Aladdin... You found like an Aladdin lap, but the genie's wild lazy, so only grants like half your wish. And shit. And nigga be like,
yo, I want to be a bad bitch. And then nigga just turns to you. It's like, yo, here,
bad bitch.
Here you go. You still got a beard, nigga. We got titties.
He's like, yo, good luck with that.
Good luck, homie.
All right, I'm going back to sleep.
Also, you're lactating and your breasts hurt a lot.
Yeah. See? Think about that. And then think about this. Then you'd have to go buy bras. And you can't just go buy one bra. You'd have to go buy like a month's worth of bras.
Hell yeah.
Now my money is... See, that should be a movie. A nigga wake up with boobs and he thinks that shit's cute for one day.
Oh, it's cute?
Yeah.
Nigga? Yeah, no, you don't see the suffering that women go through every
That's
day.
right. Okay, name of the movie.
In the name of the male gaze.
So the name of the movie is Tits, and the right titty is voiced by Leslie Jones. The left titty is voiced by Gilbert Godfrey. Boom.
Okay. Boom. Damn, Gilbert Godfrey.
$200 million opening weekend.
I thought you were going to go with Tiffany Haddish.
Oh my God, this underwire is killing me.
Hey, let me tell you something. I'm a motherfucking titty. That's it. I don't know about this other little. You a Jewish titty, but I ain't.
Okay, and Anna Kendrick is the lady, and she's like,
guys, come on, please.
And she's like at the thing, and like they're like, okay, this job is $40K and there's no benefits.
She's like, yeah,
you can't take this job. There's no benefits. She's like, excuse me, did you say something? She's like, no, that was my titty.
That's my left titty. I'm sorry. Mm-hmm. It used to be
in a world where titties talk.
Titty talk, titty talk.
With the opening song by Maxwell. Titties talking, titties talking. Yeah.
Titties talk. Boom.
He wants to put his dick where? Oh my God, he's titty fucking us.
Oh my God, no. We got to work together.
And the guy's like, you can hear your neighbors through the wall. She's like, yeah, my neighbors.
Yeah.
I actually want to see this movie.
Yeah.
Is this a porn or what? This got to be rated like XXX?
It's like probably NC. Do they do NC-17 anymore?
No, I don't think so.
Just put it on Adult Swim. We'll worry about it later.
Yeah.
Yeah, facts.
Adult Swim was like, yo, nobody's watching. Yo, put that shit.
Put some titties on.
They be doing like a show about someone's dicks, like solving crimes and shit. They're like, shh. The commercial break be like, yo, don't tell nobody you saw this.
Oh yeah, yo,
we be wildin'.
It's Detective Cocker.
Detective Cocker.
Yo, fam, oh, damn.
This podcast is basically if you gave like two 13-year-olds money, what they would talk about.
Yo,
we just don't talk about Fortnite enough.
You know what I'm saying? Yo, but the crazy thing about the movie is like, it could be called Cups.
Oh, that's more family friendly. Cups, yeah.
See,
Cups.
And then she could do the cup thing.
Yeah,
you know what I mean. But instead of with cups, it's like with bras.
Yeah, and like she's running late one day, and like. She's like running for a train, and then like she passes Victoria's Secret, and then her titties like smush against the window, and like, ooh, 20% off.
Oh my God!
She's like, not now.
She's like, not now. Let's go. We're gonna miss the train to Ronkonkoma. I don't know why she's going to Ronkonkoma, but hey,
listen,
to get her titties removed.
There's plot holes in this.
She's like, y'all too much trouble.
Okay, there's plot holes in the script, but I think we can get this. We can get this made.
You know what I'm saying?
We can definitely get this made. I've seen worse movies this year.
Come on,
so
Bill, let's be real.
Let's make this. Yeah, she get her titties removed, but then come back like Avengers Endgame.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Thanos snaps, one of the titties disappears.
Oh boy!
Yeah. Mad little kids crying and shit. Like,
where my titties? Daddy, where my titties go?
That was my favorite titty. I love that titty's origin story.
Anna, I don't feel so good. The titty just turns into dust.
She got one titty. She's mad small. She's mad lopsided and shit. Like, yo.
I'm the only titty now. I was like, oh God.
Yeah.
Where'd my tit go?
Where's that other annoying tit that I used to have to deal with all the time? She's gone? Oh, Mazel Tov. I can't. It's amazing.
Both of our Gilbert Godfreys are terrible. Terrible. But, yeah. So, Cups in theaters this summer.
This summer, yo.
The sad thing is, we could pour our hearts, lives, and just everything we believe in into like a touching, epic story of hard struggle from the Bronx and how he came up, and just like it could like win all these awards. It could be the new Selma. We'd have fucking Common rapping on the song with fucking what's her name?
The Sleeveless Hoodie.
Andrea.
Andrea Day.
Andrea J. Yeah.
Andrea Day.
Some real like. And I stand up and I found a way. Some real touching shit. and that shit's not gonna make as much money as this cups movie will make. And then they have the animated cups, and we have like fucking cups and shit. Oh man, they fucking have a Whopper,
a titty mug, like
a Whopper at Burger King and shit.
Oh man,
damn.
The titty mug.
The titty burger is a Happy Meal.
The titty burger makes you happy.
Get it? Made with real chicken breast.
They put like a ketchup nipple on top of the bun and shit. Like, I'm like,
oh, they do that in the commercial, not in the Burger King for real.
They just put like, hey, nigga.
Here you go, here's your fucking titty, nigga. Next,
fucking cornball.
Next, what you ordering? What?
Nasty nigga.
You want to supersize that or make it bigger? And like, I'm like, that's just, you want to supersize, you want to make it bigger. I don't got all day, nigga. And you be like, let me get regular. They'll be like, all right, supersize. I'm like,
nigga, what?
They'll be like, yo, here's your regular size soda. I'm like, sir, this is the size of a popcorn bucket.
Sir, this is a gallon?
They're like, yo, the machine's over there. The machine's like the shit you fill up a fucking truck with gas with.
You just see the nigga open up the top of the machine and pour a gallon of Caro syrup in the top. Like, yo. That's the crazy shit. Yo, remember what was it de Blasio? No, it was Bloomberg. That he was like, yo, y'all can't serve sodas over extra supersized,
and people was tight.
And then they were like, and McDonald's was like, you thought, nigga, because now a large is a medium.
Yep. It was like boopity boppity boo. Everyone gets diabetes. No, they changed it now. You can't get like styrofoam or some shit in the city.
No, it's fucking lame.
But who's that helping?
I'm like, yo, come on,
nigga,
man.
Fuck them turtles.
Look at you now. You tell me you weren't riding with Captain Planet when he was telling us not to use styrofoam.
Captain Planet was cool.
Years ago?
Captain Planet was cool until you realized that was just propaganda because the black kid didn't have no cool powers. What was the black kid?
Africa. He was Earth.
Earth. Yeah, Earth. Yeah, Earth.
Yo,
not water, not fire.
It was God
Earth.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, the white kids had like wind, water, fire, and shit.
Nah, but homie had heart.
Yeah, he had heart.
Sensitive.
He's like, yo, I got heart, nigga.
You got heart. He's the only one from Philly. You got man heart, nigga.
Hey, nigga.
You got man heart, nigga. I seen you on Broad Street.
You know
you put in work,
That's right. That's right, bull. That's my young bull right there.
Just Beanie Siegel just coming from behind him like, ooh,
yeah. Ooh.
If they did a new Captain Planet, he'd have like, I guess he did. No, new Captain Planet. He'd just come back and be like, "Yo, what the fuck?
Yo, new Captain
y'all
Planet.
Ain't learned no shit from that cartoon.
Yo, shit.
It's just him like, yo, my nigga, is that an island made of floating plastic bags?
What the fuck?
Are y'all niggas serious?
Yo, come on, son.
And then remember when shit got polluted, he got weaker.
Yeah.
So he just come out and get like mad sickly and shit. I think.
He comes back out and immediately gets roasted. It's like, boy, this nigga got a mullet. Boy, you just roasted nigga.
I'm the planet.
Yeah, I'm sure you are. Yeah, sure.
I was like, this dope fiend out of here.
Yo, call Julio for this nigga, man.
Niggas nod out and shit.
This nigga leaning. Yo, get this nigga some sun's rays. Get this nigga some clean water.
Captain Planet, I mean, he needed to kill more people to really make his point. That was the thing. He was like a passive. Like, you never seen Captain Planet never like rip someone in half.
Never,
He got to do that. He got to like catch people who was like illegally poaching whales and shit and just like go inside their butthole and just rip them all the way in half and shit.
Or harpoon a nigga with their own harpoon and shit.
Or just like throw them one at a time off the boat and make the whales eat them. And other people would see it and be like, yo, I'm changing my life.
Oh, shit, yeah.
Okay? Or just like, you know how they be clubbing seals? Let him club niggas.
Yeah.
To have them niggas like tied up and he'd be like, yo, bark like a seal.
Bark like
wow,
nigga, hold that. Fuck out of here.
Just put the video on YouTube and he's like, yo, Captain Planet's back. He's not playing.
That's right. Nigga came through with the 3/4 length mink made out of white man hair. You know what I'm saying?
This shit is 101.
Yo.
That was kind of violent. So we'll do a little problem act like on that.
Was he like strong or anything? Was he like Superman? Because he would like make water.
He could fly.
He could fly, make water, do shit,
but he never actually like punched anybody.
No,
right?
He was mad buns.
He didn't do his own dirty work.
Look how whack the planet is right now. That's why he's weak.
Yo, nah, but he rocked. No. There was somebody stronger than Captain Planet. It was Gaia, right? And she was a black woman.
Yeah. She was like the boss. Yeah. Low key, that show was bad progressive.
Was it?
You know what I'm saying? It was like, yo, take care of the planet. Also, God is a black woman.
God is a black woman. Well, remember the captain on Carmen Sandiego? Remember?
Well, yeah.
She was a black woman,
but she was
in charge.
She was black.
Yeah, on Interpol. Remember on the show?
Detective was not Carmen. Not
Carmen Sandiego, but the captain.
The captain,
because you were the detective.
The captain,
But see, that's the problem. Like everyone's like, that's diversity, representation matters. She ran a fraudulent police department Think about it. How bad was it? You played Carmen Sandiego. You never arrested nobody.
Oh, no.
You never called Carmen Sandiego.
Exactly.
I was just there for Rockapella. Rockapella.
For a while there as a kid, I was like, this is the future. Like, all people going to listen to in the future is like
Rockapella.
Fucking Rockapella doo-wop shit.
By the way, all them dudes look like 80s porn stars. I think there was a nigga with a ponytail, with like a curly ponytail.
Rockapella.
Yeah.
I gotta say, and this is hard for me to admit as the fat god, I never fucking understood that game or show or like.
Yeah, me neither. I just watched
never
it.
got her.
I watched it.
Oh yeah, I remember this now.
This sounds like from like some really upbeat teen music. It was 2007. I had just got a fresh pair of Parasucos.
Oh, shit.
I knew this summer was going to be great.
Is that Steven Jackson?
Nah. Wow, these guys look. They all look like they're in like porn recovery.
They all look like these. Like, so these two dudes are the ones that are fucking shorty.
It's a podcast. I want to see.
Okay, cool. So there's two. There's a white guy, a black guy, a white guy, and another black guy. So boom. So this is the guy that sits in the corner and jerks off while these two dudes smash his shorty.
Wow.
And these are the guys holding the cameras.
Okay, all right. Okay,
what I'm saying?
all right. We're gonna just hit the problem on that. Yeah. Okay, that wasn't helpful. And see. That's why I hope you don't get your butter from that 717 number that called you.
Little cuckold.
You know what's funny? We used to do Cuckold Fest. It's coming back this year. We're just just getting the permits.
You know what I'm saying?
But apparently, like the right wing people use cuck as a insult to other people, which makes no sense. Like they're like, "Oh, he's a cuck," and I was like,
"Actually, no, you are. You are literally like the
like you're talking about him having sex and like." What's the
diss?
And then like, are we just like gonna erase the whole racial portion of cuck? Because you know what it means. I wanted to bring this up on the podcast last time. Do you know about Queen of Spades?
Queen of Spades?
The Queen of Spades?
The strip club?
Huh?
The
no, about like white women that have the like a spade tattoo on their leg.
No.
Yeah,
what does that mean?
That's a sign that their husband is okay with them having cuckold sex with black guys. Think about it. Wow. Queen of Spades. What's a racial slur for black people?
Wow.
Spade. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. Go look up QOS porn, guys.
Oh, wow. Okay. Yeah, thank you.
Don't ask me how I know these things, y'all.
That's what I'm doing tonight.
All right, so there you go. You know, that's what this podcast is for: the dissemination of information and dick jokes. So
the dissemination of masturbation for information.
Hip hop. In the new year, I want to stop saying the N-word. I want to start using more 3-syllable words. I want to talk like the Dr. Bonders label. I just want to just be long-winded for no reason.
Yes. Mad verbose.
Yes. Come outside and I'll be like, oh, this wind is nefarious.
Oh, my God. It's treacherous.
I'm going to be wearing those paperboy hats and shit.
Yeah.
I'm going to dress like Rock from that Fox show back in the day.
Oh, yo. Shout out to
Charles
Rock.
S. Dutton.
Shout out to Rock.
You know he killed somebody, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Shout out to him.
But
that's why I said shout out to Rock, because he murked somebody and then he got a TV show.
Yeah, he just turned his life around.
You know what I'm saying?
Who did he kill? Did he,
some lame nigga.
Yeah.
it's like personal history. Charles S. Dutton murked some fucking...
Oh, no. When he was 17, he got into a fight which resulted in a man that he said attacked him. He got 7 years for that. He caught a body and only did 7. So, you know.
Oh, respect.
That's respect. That's cool. 7 is doable. I mean...
At 17, yeah, you come out 24, you're not...
I mean, you could do 7 at 40.
It's 5.
You could do 7 at 40. If you... Yeah.
Actually, that's a good point.
You could do 7
Life
at
is
40.
what it is at 40. Same at 40.
7 at 50 is different. Because then you coming out and you like SSI and shit like that. That changes the game. Yeah. You don't have to restart your life at 47, but you could be like a bouncer or cut hair or some shit like that.
Yeah, for sure.
Or like go like HVAC shit. But 57, no, because no one's gonna hire you because of your age and all
you
this shit.
Old and shit. Like, nah.
Your best bet is just, get a fucking Pele and hit the block.
Yeah,
you know what I'm saying?
Hit the block, bro.
Just chill in the park.
Just hang out in front of P.O.Matic.
You know what I'm saying?
Hope niggas bless you.
Meet them other 57-year-old niggas. You know what I'm saying? Y'all still dressing like y'all 15.
And New York City did everybody a disservice by closing OTB because that used to be the meeting ground.
Yeah, that should be with like the
that was like the clubhouse.
The club for wash losing niggas. Yeah. Where's the place? Like if I'm wash losing nigga, you know what? Probably bookings. In front of bookings.
In front of bookings.
Yeah, because you know what? Like you're gonna see the homies coming out anyway.
In front of Daytop.
Nothing's worse than like you go into court and you run into your boy who's also at court. You're like, damn, I gotta make better decisions and shit.
Oh, shit.
Y'all be mad amped. You be like, oh shit, you in courtroom D? I'm in courtroom F.
Oh shit! Nigga,
Oh shit, what's your charges?
Yo.
Or if they know the judge by name and they be like, oh, you got Fitzgerald? Oh, he be letting niggas go home. Don't worry.
He's good. Don't worry.
I'm like, yo, how many times have you been to court, my nigga?
But let me tell you something. He ain't even gonna look at you, my nigga.
How you know the judge like fucking Yankee stats?
Well, I be out here, you know what I'm saying? I be doing my little thing, whatever, you know what I'm saying? Like, I get busy. You feel me?
Bookings.
Yeah, that's just it's not fun.
We should start a company where we deliver a food kit to you for like white people who never been to jail but they want to experience. So every month we send them a kit of food from different prisons.
How about this?
Let's go.
We'll take it to the next level.
Let's go.
Airbnb and bookings, where we do that and we provide you with a cell that smells like piss and shit and bleach.
Even better, let me take you one step further. We build a jail.
Oh,
that nigga
Escobar style,
There
build
you
our
go.
own jail,
And
nigga.
niggas could book it for the weekend and shit. And niggas come for their honeymoon.
You know what I'm saying?
Like, you piece of garbage, just get up. It's time. Get up. It's 6 o'clock.
Son, lights out. Keep your ball tight.
All right? Nigga about to have sex with his wife. He run in there. Nigga open his shirt, be yelling at him. I run this place. You get me? I run this place. That's my bitch.
That's my bitch right now. Fuck out of here. Light my cigarette with your dick.
They come back like, where's my wife? I'm like, I don't know. But you know what? If you want to see her, maybe go stab an Aryan. It's like this nigga ice pick and shit.
Yo, here.
All right?
Handle the work.
You got till 12.
Prove yourself.
Niggas is mad, shaking and crying and shit.
I thought this was just like a...
But the next day, the Instagram post is, had so much fun at Club Prison. Oh my God, what an experience.
Way better than an escape room.
Oh my God.
Let me tell you.
Hashtag traveler have to Instagood.
Hashtags under that shit.
Where can we build this prison? Just
it's right down here, nigga.
Just down here? Just turn the milk studio into this?
Just put a dog crate in here, nigga, like a big ass dog crate. And put both them niggas in a dog crate.
You know what? We should have a shootout in the milk room.
Mad ricochet over here.
You know
man.
what? Like this is like international waters. You could do whatever the fuck you want in this room.
Literally.
I've seen at least 6 felonies happen here, and I'm just like, yo, that got nothing to do with me, Poppy. If you and that dolphin want to do mad blow, that's on y'all. I'm not watching. Yeah, just have a shootout, because then it'd be cool. Like if there was like bullet holes and shit. Yeah, like real bullet holes, not like them stick-on ones people put on their cars.
Nah, that's just as corny.
What is the point of that?
To make your car look worse? Like I never
Look,
understood
my car
that.
got shot up. Ha ha ha. Whimsical.
LOL.
Okay.
Like fam. Like
First of all, in my gated community. Oh, hey Stanley, did someone shoot at your minivan? Got you.
You know what I did?
What'd you do?
I got in the zone.
AutoZone.
Wow. Yeah.
AutoZone.
They had these at the register. I said, fuck it. I mean, fudge it. Sorry.
Don't want some
Your
truck
kids
nuts
are around.
You have truck nuts on your car?
Truck nuts?
The balls that hang on the back of your tailgate?
Oh, yeah. No, hell no. I can't do that.
If you got that lets me know there's a good chance you would drag a black person behind your truck.
Yeah,
I'm
absolutely.
sorry.
Absolutely.
I'm not jumping the gun here.
Yeah, no. If you got the naked lady silhouette or truck nuts, you are probably a racist.
But I like when someone just has like their racist viewpoint on their car.
Yeah.
Like right off the shit. Like when they're just like, yo, Blue Lives Matter. Or just a straight up Confederate flag. I'm like,
oh, man.
I respect it. Yeah, you're never getting in this lane.
Yeah.
I am driving the same speed as you for as long as we're on the same road.
Facts.
Just blocking them.
Or the fucking flag with the little blue line in it. I'm like, oh,
Yo.
I know what time it is with you.
My neighbor has a hoopty. And the only sticker on that piece of shit is the Blue Lives Matter flag. And every day, I'm tempted to rip that shit off. But I know a Nest camera will catch me, and it'll just be like some whole scandal. I don't want to risk it. Not trying to fuck up the bag.
Yeah, no.
But then I was just like, you know what? This person drives a piece of shit car, so they're probably a piece of shit. So life is handling.
Life is handling for you.
It's good.
Yeah.
It's good.
Nah, I seen a Confederate flag sticker on the back of a pickup truck in the Bronx. I was like, wow. First of all, I was shocked. I was like, wow. I was like, okay.
But then you think about it, and there's parts of the Bronx where it's like, hey.
You know what I'm saying? But
hey, my guy, the South will rise again.
Yeah,
you know?
that's right. And I'm not talking about the South Bronx, you fucking Moulignan.
You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah. I'm like, you know they don't like you either.
Oh,
right?
no.
Prosciutto?
Okay, they love the Italians. The Italians were a vital part of the Civil War. The Spaghetti Brigade.
So I did what any self-respecting graffiti nigga would do, and I wrote "fuck out of here" and I caught a tag under it.
There you go. That's what you gotta do. I saw a guy. He was wearing a MAGA hat in what's that place called? Not Bryant Park. Astor
Astor Place?
Yeah.
Astor Park. And he was getting on the train. And I was like, damn, I should just run up behind this nigga and like
slap the shit over it.
But that's assault.
That's assault. Yeah.
You know, when you have something to live for, you start recognizing crimes before you do them.
Yeah.
When you don't have anything to live for, you don't give a shit about crime. A crime? What? Who? I ain't get caught. Fuck that. These niggas suck my dick.
Well, fuck yeah.
Now I'm like, oh, this is jaywalking. Like my shit is just like RoboCop's thing. It's like jaywalking. This is jaywalking.
Fam, I literally did that the other day. I was like, and I'm in Jersey, and I was just like, yo, there's a crosswalk like 10 feet away. I could just cross the street right now. There's no cars coming, but I literally went out of my way to walk to the crosswalk to walk on the crosswalk.
Yeah,
and not have like some weird like suburb cop come out of nowhere.
I feel like I got a page 95 Mero.
Yeah, exactly. 95 Mero was like, yo, you wild pussy, nigga. You wild pussy. You walking in the crosswalk, nigga? Fuck that, nigga.
But you know
walk on a green light, nigga. Fuck that shit. Nigga hit you getting paid.
But I mean, you know, you don't want that the nuisance of going to jail for some stupid shit or having a ticket for some dumb shit.
Yeah, that's
you can avoid it.
Cause you know what it is? At this point in our careers, bro, time is money.
Time is money.
You know what I'm saying? And I ain't got time to be sitting up in the courtroom fighting over motherfucking ticket. So y'all can suck my whole dick.
Get a desk appearance ticket and shit. Or open container.
Open container, dog?
Like,
pissing in public type shit? Like, nah, dog.
Like, I'm at the point if a cop tried to give me that, I think I would fight the cop.
Yeah.
I'd be like, fuck it, I'm getting some real charges
like,
tonight.
yeah, nah.
Fuck
I
that.
ain't gonna stand up in court and the nigga behind me be like, this nigga, these just piss in public?
I'll be like, I'll just push the cop, like, take that badge off, pussy, fight me. They're gonna be like, really?
Wow, he's real.
So I make sure I say it loud so mad people see it. Yo, I'm gonna fuck this cop up.
Yo, that nigga's mad pussy.
Yo, someone record me fucking this cop up.
Yo, O'Reilly, I'm about to give you the work, nigga. What's up?
The scariest thing you could do is be like, yo, take that badge off, fight me like a man. A cop be like, oh, word?
Oh, word?
You take off, be mad, rip the shit. You're like, oh, they got a swastika. You're like, oh.
Okay, they got the wild Celtic cross. Like,
Yeah.
just that okay.
It's like,
Pronounce
got
that
the,
with the H.
Nigga got the 14 words like tattooed around his neck and shit. I'm like, oh shit. He's like, I've been waiting for this. Nigga crack his neck and shit. Like, oh wow.
Like, okay, all right.
That's one of the things that I think Kimbo Slice never got enough credit for. You remember when he fought like the biggest dude on the force, like in this wild basement, and the dude just showed up in biker shorts?
Oh yeah?
Yeah, like Kimbo, he was like fucking mad people up, and I think like the local PD or something was getting tight. They were like, "Yo, this movie antics, he's the man," blah blah blah, whatever. And I forget who won. Get
Big Nicky.
Yeah,
Big Nicky will take care of him.
Hey,
and Big Nicky got washed.
Rest in peace, Kimbo
R.I.P.
Slice.
Kimbo. He was in that moment. He was definitely a civil rights leader.
There you go.
You know what I'm saying? Shout
You know
out.
who else was a civil rights leader, but he doesn't get enough props? Remember, well, it's Ray J, of course. Remember Chris Donner?
Oh shit! Yeah,
Yeah.
He had the manifesto. He murked mad cops. He looked like
he was, a cop
with
he
diabetes.
was a cop that killed the other cops.
Yeah.
In LA, was that him?
And then they trapped him in that house and they let the shit burn down instead of letting him out.
Yeah. He looks like the grown version of that old ass gif of the kid, the little fat kid being like. He looks like the grown version of that guy.
Yeah, the kid's out of like a WWF or
Yeah. So I guess rest in peace to him. But then also, I think he shot some people who weren't cops. But I mean,
listen, collateral damage.
niggas get shot. It's America.
Niggas get shot every day.
You seen that house that the ATF just raided in the Hollywood Hills, and they had mad fucking guns.
Yep.
They said it was white supremacists, so everyone was like, "Oh my god, this is out of control." It turns out it wasn't white supremacists. It was just a guy, I don't know, illegally making and selling his own guns.
Look at that.
Does he have a forge? How was he making them joints?
He had all that, and he was making and selling his own guns, and like he got raided because ATF was like, "Yo, you ain't paying taxes on this." So no one's like, "Yo, he had too many guns." It's like you didn't pay taxes
Did they, like, catch
on all
him on
these guns
Etsy?
and shit. Like who's making like? Okay, we worried about gun control. Niggas is making their
Making
own
guns.
guns. Like, listen, shit's done.
How we shoot if it's plastic?
I think the government just needs to give each person one gun and be like, yo,
Here you go.
good luck.
Here's
The
your.
same way you get a social security number, you should get a gun at birth.
There you go.
You get a blanket, you get Infamil, you get a Glock, and you get a social security number.
Pong. There you go. And you get 5 Pampers. So you
5
off.
Pampers.
Go ahead, do your thing.
Niggas be
Stupid.
trading the guns in front of Lincoln, like, yo, I'll trade you for Pampers. Like, nah, nigga, I got enough guns.
Man, I got like 10 guns already.
Instead of like collecting cans, niggas just pushing a shopping cart full of guns. Hey, another gun. Poppy is a 4-5. They won't take that seat down.
Come on, man.
Niggas just putting guns in the machine, getting like a nickel back.
Yeah. You hear the machine trying to crunch a gun and shit. It's like,
Niggas just bust a
man,
gunshot
sparks
and
coming
everyone
out.
like duck.
Pow! Oh shit!
Watch out! I told you don't put the guns in two at a time.
Yo, you wildin'.
Even though they're like putting guns in the machine still smells like piss. I don't understand how.
I don't
Because you know, I don't care. Maybe if you live in a good part of town. But if you live in the hood, when you go to where you deposit the bottles, it always smells like bum piss.
Fam.
It makes absolutely no sense. My theory is some of the bottles that they pick up have pee in them. So they just pour them on the floor there.
Yeah.
But No, some of these people stink.
Yeah.
Okay,
That's it.
I'm not being classist.
You know what I'm saying?
Some people
It's just
stink.
a matter of fact.
As a matter of fact, if you live in New York or any other major city, you
telling
ever come
you.
across a person that stinks every now and then. Is this odor shaming? I'm sure it is. I'm sure because everything is problematic, and I'm turning into a 46-year-old white comedian. I remember you used to be able to say things.
Yeah.
Yeah. Remember back in the day, you used to be able to say pause.
Yeah. Now you can't.
Now, I said pause to my son the other day. He turns to his boyfriend and says, your father's homophobic.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
Unbelievable.
Wow.
Can you believe this?
Okay. If
This
I was
is- this is
homophobic,
what-
would I watch Tuesday Night Football?
Huh? Would I?
Huh? You're like, what? What?
Dad, I don't know.
My dad kind of gets it.
He kind of get. He's like, hey, listen. I took you to see Rent.
Okay, I
All
get
right?
it.
I get it. I
get
understand.
it. I understand what's going on with your people.
All right.
Your black friend. I saw the one. I saw the police video. That guy that got shot in the back running away. Is that him?
Yeah. Was that your
that
friend?
him?
That was it.
It was in Michigan, but I don't know. They all look alike.
Yeah. I try.
Yeah, you know.
It's like it's my semi-woke dad.
Yeah.
He's trying.
So
Coming this
my
fall,
nephew's
baby.
my nephew's teacher is married to she's a chick. She's married to a chick, and I'm like, who wears the dress?
Hey.
He's trying.
He's trying. He's trying his best, y'all.
I mean, the guy makes a wicked bacon, egg, and cheese. I just wish, they didn't believe in Sharia law.
I mean, it's dad. He's trying. Coming this fall to NBC.
That'd be a great show. So we
like
come
Archie
up with
Bunker and
Who
shit.
plays that?
Huh?
Who plays that?
Who
I feel
plays
like-
the trying dad?
Is
I feel like
Archie
Michael
Bunker
Rappaport
dead?
Could have done
Archie
it like maybe
Bunker is
10
dead,
years ago,
yes.
but he's like gone full MAGA.
Well, who?
Michael Rappaport could have done this like
Yeah,
10
no,
years
not
ago.
Michael
but
Oh, he's
going
full MAGA.
now.
Yeah,
Who could do it now?
he's Michael Magaport now.
KFC? Or is he just
Shout out to KFC. Let's leave him alone. I don't think he wants to be on TV saying quasi racist shit.
Fam, that nigga's been laying on the floor for the past year and a half, getting kicked in the head by the entire internet.
Oh, for real?
Yeah,
I
fam.
don't even, no shots at him. I really don't even follow him like that.
Nah, he's
Just,
chilling.
see
He's
it pop
good.
Up, every once in a while.
He survived. He survived the Battle of Winterfall.
Yeah, he did.
Who could play it? Did it have to be white, right?
Mike Francesa.
No, not Mike France. Oh shit. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, who the fuck is calling me from 313?
See, now we're getting weird area codes.
Area codes. That is someone's calling me from Lombard, Illinois. Oh, that's the guns I ordered. Okay, I got that.
Okay, yeah, cool.
Niggas like, I'm out seamless. I'm outside your door. It's seamless for guns. I got 6 ARs. Please come down to the car.
Yo.
I'm like, yo, nigga, why is this clip half full? Nigga, like, yo, you know what I'm saying? Like, you know
Are
what
you
I'm saying?
serious, nigga?
Like, come on, nigga, I had to drive, nigga.
Come on,
I had to
man.
buck a couple.
At least.
Damn.
That shit is so serious now that they really fucking tape the shit out
Fam,
of the
they
food.
are not playing now. You
Yo,
would think,
it's Staples tape,
you
nigga,
think it's like
stickers,
hypodermic sterile needles the way the food
Nigga.
comes. They be wrapping up the condiments.
Yes.
They're like stapled shut. You could tell it's been tampered with.
Dog.
See?
The first time I ever had to use kitchen scissors to open a
Open the
bag.
shit.
I'm like, yo, what the fuck?
Because all you seamless and Uber Eat people, you got lazy and started eating fries,
Bad-minded.
putting your dick in the milkshake.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying?
What's the point of that?
Licking the special sauce off the burgers.
You feel me?
They're like, they won't notice.
Yeah, nah, they'll never know.
They could give you your burger. They got mad fucking, like they got special sauce in the cheek. Like,
you
yo,
mean?
you had a smash burger too? He was like,
Yeah.
2. Nigga walk off laughing like Michael Jackson and the Thriller. They need Uber Eats, but the person comes to your house and cooks in your house.
Yo.
Yep.
Is there a thing like that?
Yeah, it's called serial killers. If you went on Craigslist right now and I had a post that was like, yo, I'll come to your house and cook for you. It's like a picture of me naked with like a skillet in front of my dick.
I'm like,
You really trusting that? I'm cooking. I'm like, no, you gotta stay in the room and talk to me while I cook.
I'm like, I mean, if you're flaccid.
I mean, I'll start that way. They get an erection, but I'm frying plantains and I get like the oil on it. Like,
This nigga get the one blister on his foreskin and shit. Like,
rub butter on it. I'm like, you're not supposed to rub butter on it. You get chemical burn.
Yeah, you trying to explain that shit to your shorty? Like, no. What happened was I do this thing. I do this cooking service.
You said you be tired after work, and I'll be tired after work, but we wanted food, so it's better than seamless.
You know what I'm saying? Like, it's a blister. It's from burning, not that kind of burning.
Here you go. He's got his dick on the counter. Where do you want him to put his dick?
Wow.
The nigga making us rainbow trout, boo. Like, relax.
Come on.
Damn.
Do you even know what rainbow trout is? Have you ever had it in your life?
Come on.
Be grateful, yo.
Right?
Damn, yo, you trying to provide for shorty, man?
You know, that's why I can't have nice things. That's why you don't appreciate shit. That's why I'm going to leave you for Aisha Curry. Listen, Aisha Curry, Aisha Curry got to drop a sexy video. Like an Adina Howard shit. Some shit like that's totally out of character for her.
Yeah, she got to do some shit with like.
You know what? She's part Jamaican. Aisha, go to the Jamaican side.
Go to Carnival. Yo.
Just like drop a remix of Wine Pound the Cocky.
Yo, the raw version.
But like she's like grinding on like a basketball hoop.
Yeah. You know what I'm saying? Do some wild shit.
Make a song called Flagrant Foul.
Yeah, get Steph tight.
Woo, yeah.
I don't even see that nigga getting tight. He'd be like, baby, we gonna pray on it. God will see us through. He is our shepherd.
Niggas just get in the Kia and start doing like 50. Like,
these niggas are, I'm in the new Telluride, nigga. I'm fucking climbing a mountain in this shit.
Oh, man.
Shout out to Kia for coming out with a truck. I'm trying to make it shit look like it's a fucking wild military vehicle.
It's the Motor City Report. Woo, woo, woo.
Yeah.
What's Mero? Were you looking at the I-8?
Yeah, I was looking at the I-8, but this is the thing. I'm never gonna get a car. I'm never gonna buy a new car. I'm never gonna lease a car. I'm gonna be whipping the cloth interior 05 Accord forever because it's always something. Like, I either gotta just be like, fuck y'all niggas, I'm gonna do what I want, or like, cause I ask for opinions on niggas I know about cars. You feel me? So I'm just like, yo, this shit is fire, nigga. Like the doors go up, this shit is a flex. You know what I'm saying? People are like, well, actually, they decrease in value by $20,000 every year, so you'll be basically burning money.
On the I-8?
Idiot. Yeah. I was like, yo, come on, son. Why you gotta burst my bubble, nigga? I'm trying to get more.
So are you like looking at like Motor Trends reports, or you just asking random Twitter niggas?
Asking random Twitter niggas was probably my biggest mistake.
Twitter niggas.
Yeah,
they
that's
don't know
true.
shit.
Yeah, that's true.
Niggas don't know shit.
Yeah.
I always say you can't listen to random Twitter niggas because I used to be a random Twitter nigga. Yeah. And I would speak on authority on many things I knew nothing of. Same. There were many times I knew not what the fuck I was saying. And I said it with confidence, and I pressed send tweet, and I dare the motherfucker to question me on any of the things.
Fuck out of here.
There have been times I talked about hysterectomies, and I don't know shit about it.
I don't even know what that is.
It's a hysterectomy.
It's when it's like
when you have a cat.
It's like it's like a
sometimes when you have stray cats, they hiss too much, and you have to remove the vocal cords.
Oh, okay, cool. I thought it was like a part of like a theology, like
it's like a more secular part of Judaism.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Cool.
Yeah. All our teachers listening to this is like, no, that's not. Gosh darn it, he knows that's not what it is.
He knows that's not what it is. He's playing dumb. He's playing dumb. They're playing dumb. They're smart. You're really much smarter than that.
Okay,
you know, I really enjoy
the podcast except for the cursing and the sex and the dick jokes and the shows you make up
and the incessant pornographic references.
Yeah, and then like Mero says Dominican stuff and you say Jamaican stuff, and then Victor comes with facts. I was like, so what part of the podcast do you like? I like the milk room.
I like Justin. I like Hasan. I like Daiana and Victoria sitting in the back playing.
Sitting in the back.
Yeah,
she's playing Candy Crush. Is anyone still playing Candy Crush?
Nah.
Here's a hot take. You still playing Candy Crush?
Nah.
There's nothing wrong with you.
Nah, Diana's back there doing work, you know what I'm saying? Setting up websites, doing shit, and Victoria's ordering fentanyl from Brazil.
Fentanyl from Brazil. Wow. Wow. That's what Party City should sell. Instead of helium, they should sell fentanyl. If you really, instead of Party City, they're like, yo, you want a Party City or you want a party?
You want a party, okay? Nigga, huh?
You want a birthday cake made of fentanyl?
Huh?
Have the kids like... Who wants to see a clown die?
Yeah!
Yo, Victoria's the original spokeswoman for Fenty Beauty.
Wow. Fentanyl, man.
Yeah.
Fentanyl. That sounds like the name of a cool club, like Fentanyl.
Yo, Fentanyl.
You could die. And you go in there and it's not as cool as you thought it'd be.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying?
And all the drinks are like named after fentanyl ODs, but it's just like, I'm like, okay, it's called fentanyl, but this drink is just like, this is like a Caribbean sunshine. This is like tropical punch and a tequila.
This is Sex on the Beach, except you call it a Michael Jackson.
They're like, no, wait, watch what happens every hour. You know how like sometimes you go to a club and every hour they're like mad fog comes down?
Yeah.
Every hour, mad fentanyl comes out the vents.
Yo, like,
like, oh shit. You gotta, like the Martinez brothers are DJing and shit. They're like, you gotta whistle like. Someone got like a cowbell like. It's like, yo, give it up for the fentanyl. You just hear the voice like fentanyl.
It's Mac White and it's just fentanyl.
Yeah, boy, you know how it is. Niggas is like,
and then they got the female vocal in the back like fentanyl, fentanyl.
that's way too many people, man. That's way. You can't be on drugs around mad people.
Yo, no.
Because then they don't stand still. They start swirling around you. And you're just like,
yo, chill. I'm mad high. You can't do that.
What's really cool is like having mad experience being high, and your body panics while you're high. And you're like, yo, chill.
Chill.
You ever have to talk to yourself like, chill? You're
just
good.
chill.
We're
Just chill.
good.
Just chill.
We're not gonna. You talk to yourself like you're a second person. Like, chill. We're gonna be fine.
You're all right.
We're not gonna. We can't die. We're the main character.
Yeah, duh.
Stop it.
You're the main character in your life, you idiot. You're not gonna die.
Die, nigga. We're the opening
Stupid.
credit. Come on.
Give me a break.
I'm not gonna die.
It's like Olivia Benson dying.
I'm like, stop. All right, stop overthinking it. Because then I'll start thinking like, yo, how does my heart beat automatically? You'd be like, what? And your heart be like, what? And then your body be like, oh shit.
Oh shit.
Your heart be like, oh shit, I do be doing that shit.
Oh, that's all me.
That's all me.
Matter of fact, I'm gonna take a break. Fuck y'all niggas, man.
And you're like,
No.
you're like looking around. Does anyone else hear that? Anyone else hear my heart talking? Then Andrew Kendrick's like, yeah, I've been hearing my titties talk all day.
Yeah.
Anna, this ain't even the right train. We need to be on the express. This is the local.
She doesn't know what she's talking about.
Yo, that bitch titties talking.
Yeah, get her out of here.
I guess J-Lo's in this movie as well. Just gotta throw J-Lo in there.
J-Lo's in production with Cardi B on that. I think it's like a stripper movie.
Yeah, it's a stripper movie.
Like a club or something.
Can't wait to see
Yeah,
what
but that shit ain't gonna
turns
make. That shit's not gonna do numbers the way Cups is gonna do numbers, nigga.
We'll see.
She goes to a Yankee game and the Gilbert Godfrey one. There's a foul ball hit towards her. He's like, I got it.
I got it.
And it just pops out and you just see a little kid with ice cream like, oh,
Whoa.
you know what? This movie's not so bad. This movie's not too bad.
Yo, and holla at us. You know what I'm saying?
If you get the Mia Khalifa cameo in that scene, because then she get hit in the titty with the puck.
Yeah.
At like a hockey game.
You know what I'm saying?
Whole shit deflated.
Okay.
Wow.
Damn.
That's embarrassing.
I just went from producer to executive producer.
There you go. There you go. Woo. And you gotta be like the roller coaster thing, and the titties like, whoa.
Whoa. The titties put the nipples up like, yeah. Splash Mountain.
Oh my god. She's in a conference room and they're like, titties like, is it cold in here or is it us?
Oh.
She's trying to cover the nipples. It's a lot of titty jokes. We could go very far with this with titty jokes. And we gotta throw some sort of like, there has to be a sad subplot of just like, she finds a lump and we gotta do this whole thing about like breast cancer and shit.
Yeah,
but it's not long enough. It's not long enough to down the whole movie. It just makes the movie seem like it's educational.
Yes.
Or like her friend has like breast cancer or
Are
some
you
shit.
about to turn this into like the bucket list, but with titties?
Yeah. Yeah.
The titty list.
The titty list. Titty caca. The Joy Cup Club.
Yo! Traveling under the
Or the traveling nipple. Sisterhood of the traveling brawl.
tits. Yo! Oh
Oh
my god!
my god! Fried green tomatoes.
After areola.
Oh wow!
Yo!
Just sad. And then in the end, this is like it turns out like she's mad old, and she was like telling her granddaughter the story about when she was younger, and then we see her titties and they're all wrinkly, but it's still them. They're like, I guess we're going back in, guys.
The camera pans down.
Like the bad slow pan down. Like remember at the beginning how Mega Man, like they pan all the way up the building? Okay, all right. Okay, there's a lot of problematic shit going on here. That's real problematic stuff because it starts off good. You mean well, but
that's what happens.
It's like you try to go to talk to young black men in high school. Next thing you know, you're telling them to pull their pants up, respect the elders, and stop buying gold chains.
It's not unmanly to use a condom.
You know what I'm saying? Maybe stay in the lives of the children you make, and they're like, okay, why is he giving a speech?
Okay, wow, okay. You are a white man.
Maybe you guys stop saying the N-word. How about that?
Yeah.
How about that?
How about you pull your pants up and start that saying the N-word? Fentanyl don't stop her.
Okay.
She's on it.
Is there anyone famous that, well, can you be like, fentanyl is bad, right?
Yeah.
We know that much. All right.
It's a downer too, right? Fentanyl's a downer, right?
Yeah, I mean, if downer, you mean killer.
What is it?
The stallion of drugs, for sure.
It's a stallion of drugs.
It's like Colt 45.
Works every time.
Fentanyl.
Yeah.
Why didn't Rihanna should trademark fentanyl?
That's true. Fentanyl beauty. You know what I'm saying?
I think you don't want your beauty products associated with like a product that kills people. Cups. We gotta make some fake promo shirts for cups.
We do. I mean, it's the least you could do, Anna. Like, you know what I'm saying? Do some promos with us because you creased the shit out them Jordans.
Listen, it's her first pair. She didn't know better.
Yeah.
You leave that little girl alone.
Fam, they ratioed the shit out of her with the fucking Jordan crease.
But see, that's what I'm talking about. Like, Twitter people and regular people, it's just like people are like, yo, you creased those Jordans, yo, you ruined those Jordans.
She's like, I don't care. I could buy a pallet of these.
Yeah, it's nothing
now, right now.
I'm gonna wear these sneakers literally once.
I wore them for this photo.
Yeah, and I threw them away. It's different. It's different, y'all.
You know what I'm saying? Not to flex, but it's a little bit of a flex.
It's a little bit of a flex.
You know what I'm saying?
It's not like she was creasing like foam posits, because then you gotta be like a big bitch to do that.
Yo, you gotta be a real big bitch with creasing
That's
foams.
like an insult. That's like your mother's feet so big she creased
foam posits.
At that point, you just gotta hook someone in their jaw. Like, fuck that.
Fuck that
My
shit,
mama
man.
dead. Niggas just start fighting on the kids like,
yeah, they fighting. Yo, they fucking each other up. Nigga, Thanos can't even crease fucking foam posits, nigga. This shit is uncreasable.
is there anything someone could say about your mother right now that would cause you to fight them?
Yeah, pretty much anything. I mean, like, I feel like I was having this conversation with Chief in the car. I was like, I'm very good now at like physical restraint. Like if we're here talking and like you say some wild disrespectful shit about my mom, like as a stranger or whatever, like 2005 Mero will be like, oh word, boom, I'm rocking your shit, or $150. But now I'm just like, nah, I make too much money for that.
Yeah, that was like,
And I got to feed my kids.
that was like almost 15 years ago. So
Yeah, so I'm just like, yeah, no, I'm not doing that. But when we were first started, complex days, I definitely would cut a nigga's face, push a nigga down the stairs. I didn't care because it was just like a little couple bucks. MTV era, I was still learning to control that impulse. You seen a nigga South by when I almost threw the nigga off the balcony? You know what I'm saying? So like, now I'm good. Now I'm just working on the shout out to my therapist. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Alphazina. I'm just working on controlling my anger digitally. You know what I'm saying? Not like on the internet.
that sounds like the wild learning annex class. Come down, controlling your anger digitally with Dr. Mero. And it's just like, you like, hey,
What's up? Hey guys.
I controlled it, so can you?
We're gonna wait 15 minutes for the rest of the class to get here. In the meantime, you guys can get comfortable. We have water in the back.
Okay. Oh, controlling your anger digitally.
Yeah,
that sounds like an unreleased RZA album.
I'm like, yo, son, I'm like,
RZA, boop, 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 boop.
I mean, like, basically, yeah, but not to answer your question, I'm like, hey, ain't shit you can say about my mom's. Like, you can say whatever the fuck you want about my mom's. Like, I bought my mom's Louis loafers, nigga. What the fuck did you buy your mom's lately? Stupid. Suck my dick, nigga. How about that? You know what I'm saying? I don't even got to do it. You don't have to react physically with violence when you can react by living your life. You know what I'm saying? And just watching and having niggas witness that.
This nigga pussy.
You know what I'm saying? But I will shoot a nigga though. You know what I'm saying? Still shoot a nigga. Don't give a fuck.
You ain't shooting niggas.
I'll shoot a nigga.
not shooting no
I don't
nigga.
give a fuck. I got a life insurance policy on deck. My kids is good. 529s is in there. IRS
You'd
is
be
maxed
tight
out.
if you go to jail for shooting a nigga.
I mean,
Niggas be like pitching you shit.
Nah, I won't do
Niggas
it.
be like, yo, I wrote a screenplay and like doodle on a tissue. So if you want to take a look at that right there. It's a 4-parter, so I ate some beans. I'll be back tonight.
Oh no, when I say I shoot a nigga, I don't mean like I will shoot a nigga. Like I mean like a nigga will get shot, but not me.
The important part is that we're putting this all
on tape. All on tape.
Every single
all on tape.
Mr. and Mrs. DA.
There you go. Talk to your therapist about that. About being a rap master. Just talking over here. Blah 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 blah.
DJ Vlad is watching this. Like I see no problems.
They was like, Mero, do you want to confess the crimes? And you was like, this nigga. Me myself personally, all I do when I'm not doing the podcast or the number one show on late night, Desus and Mero, Showtime 11, you know what I'm saying, 11 on Mondays and Thursdays. I just walk my dog and read my Bible. That's all I do. I'm so unproblematic. Don't smoke weed, don't drink.
Oh, wow.
Like, I'm just a good dude now.
I respect it.
Yeah.
That blunt on the floor I think is gonna light the couch on fire. You just step on it real quick.
That's not a blunt. That is, I am Rastafari.
Oh.
And that's part of my religion.
I and I.
Okay. I'm trying to go dreads, but Showtime makes me cut my hair every day.
Oh,
so it's
wow.
not really working out.
Wow. Showtime's by the way, Showtime's like the Yankees. You have to maintain a certain look. You know what I'm saying? And we don't put our name on our jerseys. Because
you know what? Big announcement. Showtime, we got Monday and Thursday. Showtime is so happy with us that they are moving us to their new channel, Showtime Caribbean.
You know what I'm saying?
Where we'll only be able to be viewed in the Caribbean. So it's quiet for you, North America. Our rating's going to be like 50 people.
Yeah, that's it.
Like, we know my name. David Evans going to be like, Barrington, Shelly Ann, Quincy, Mero side Domingo, Raphael, Zania, spelled with a Y. Okay. They all watch.
Yeah. Her name is Sarah, just spelled with an X. I don't know why.
The rating system is just a clipboard. Everyone signs up and says, I watched. Showtime Crib.
You give us some Dr. Falul over there.
It's just all droga. It's Showtime shows, just in the Caribbean version of it.
Yeah.
I don't know. The Shy is just like that. Sucking their teeth. Wow. So people walking around the island.
Billions is
actually called $1 because of inflation.
Billions is called 60 pesos.
Is this dark? Is this funny? Is this parody?
It's art.
Is it art?
It's art.
Is it art?
Let's ask Art Decider. Is it art or is it not art? Art Decider, you tell us.
Call in right now, 1-800-223-9797.
It's your boys, nigga.
Is it art?
Let's lick the mic. That's hard.
One day when we all die, probably like in 2 years, somebody at Red Bull is just gonna play like this podcast on a loop, and they're gonna have like fucking mannequins with no heads and like X's painted on the nipples.
You already know, yeah.
And like they're gonna have like a fucking placenta in the middle of a Confederate flag.
There's gonna be 30 Mexican dudes setting the shit up, having no idea what the fuck they're setting up, but they're gonna be like, hey, I don't know. He say arte, güey. You no sé, güey.
They're gonna build a replica of the Bronx.
Oh yes,
It's gonna have like weird chirping noises.
yeah,
and shit.
and like this weird, like deformed Cardi B statue and shit, like mad weird.
It's gonna look weird, but we're gonna go in there and be like, our ghosts gonna be like, this is cool.
You wanna see this lit?
I have a theory that ghosts are only upset because whatever house you die in, whatever house you live in, when you die, that's where you have to stay. And so ghosts are mad because new people come into their apartment and put new shit up, and they're like, I don't like this shit.
I don't like this shit.
And you gotta be there. So that's why ghosts be like,
Yo, I have real art up, bro.
yo, is this fucking plywood? Yo, y'all niggas serious?
Yo, fam, this is all particle board shit from Bob's Furniture, my nigga. What the fuck are you doing, yo? Yo, I had a fucking...
Imagine you die and you were like the wild racist. Now you like a Latino family moves into your house. I'll be like, fuck that. I'm like, wake up, wake up.
Yo.
Sticks, get out of here.
Excuse me. Hey, beat it, pal. All right? I hate the smell of fucking Fabuloso in the morning.
I just make all the tortillas flat and shit. It's a racist. Ooh, racist ghost. Coming to CVS. Comes on after my dad's trying. Spooky.
Yeah.
Honey, the watermelon fell on the floor again. Ooh. Wait, would the ghost destroy the watermelon?
No,
No, you'd wake up and be like, honey, there's another watermelon. It's like a floating watermelon. Ooh, get out.
Nigga rubs his hands on fried chicken and just puts mad grease stains all over your furniture. Ooh.
No, but the ghost would be like a racist white person, so they wouldn't really know what black people like, so they'd have like the walls sweating like grape juice and shit. And I'm like, what is
going on?
Oh, it's race. Don't mind girls. This is my racist ghost. Listen, I got a steal on this house, so do what you want with your stupid racist ass. I ain't going nowhere.
God, racist ghost, do your worst, stupid.
Ooh.
I'm going to spill my Greek yogurt on the floor.
I'm gonna make your flight to Essence Fest a layover. Ooh. Like, this is not. You're not really affecting my shit.
Ooh. The cable guy's gonna be here at 3:00. I already know, but I'm gonna give you a window from 12 to 5.
Open the fridge. Like, who put they put raisins in my potato salad.
No!
Racist goes.
No!
And then the dad comes in like, I mean, the potato salad's better this way, you know? There's not many things. There's a lot of times, you know, some things are not that are white don't get better with black, you know? Wow. Like my mulatto child. Wow. It's like, Dad, I told you don't use that word.
Dad, stop.
No, it's a good thing. I love my mulatto. I mean, my halfie.
No.
My little mixed nigger.
No.
Dad.
No. He's trying. He's trying. It's Dad and he's trying.
Yeah, that would be a great hybrid episode of like my dad who's trying and racist ghost.
Yeah.
Sometimes they would like mash up.
Crossover event.
Yeah, think about it. It was like Hang 10, bro. It's like what was it? What was the show? King of Queens.
Yeah.
And then Everyone Loves Raymond. And they had like 2 crossover episodes. So
Yeah.
it could be like that.
Yeah.
And then they could team together for like True Detective season 4. But then they'd be like, I'm not solving shit. Just sprinkle crack and put a fake gun there.
Yeah, fuck it.
There you go.
I'm bored.
There's a True Detective.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm just saying, you really want to move your family into a neighborhood that's, getting browner by the minute.
Dad, stop. He's trying. He's trying.
Let me ask you something. Is the pregnancy going to be extra hard? Because, you know, her hair is kind of brushy and it's going to feel like steel wool coming out her choke.
Yeah.
Hey, Dad.
Hey, Dad, come on, Dad.
Dad. We talked about this already.
Dad, come on, please.
Oh,
Have some respect for Tamika.
Jesus Christ,
Come
Dad.
on, Dad. Come on. What do you want me to do? I mean, the broad got, she has hair like a fucking
Let me ask you something. She's Jamaican, so like the breast milk got curry in it? Like, Dad. Wow.
I mean, these are simple questions. You could
Listen, you want me to be ignorant or ask questions? I'm trying.
I'm trying here. I'm trying to learn the culture. What do you want me to do?
Like 30 years ago, we threw away the couch she sat on. You know,
Let me
I'm
tell you
from far
something.
away.
Let me tell you something. I'm woke. You know how I'm woke? When I opened the pizzeria back in 1985, they told me you can't sell Jamaican beef patties here because that's for the moulignons.
Yes.
And you know what I did? I said, fuck them. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to serve these moulignons because they are part of my community. And then I put cheese and pepperoni on that shit. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm trying. I'm a racist dad and I'm trying.
That's all you gotta do. He said, hey, what more do you want? Hey. Racist dad.
Shit, niggas better than Ghost Dad.
I mean, isn't Ghost Dad? Yeah, Ghost Dad is racist dad. He's just dead racist dad.
Dead racist dad.
We'd watch them both. We'd watch both of them. They'd be like the #1 show in America. People watching them ironically, and they don't get that.
They don't understand.
They don't understand. They're like, he is trying.
He is. I mean, give him a break.
Donald Trump is like, I love racist dad.
Love
He's
it.
trying.
Love it. That's the type of talent you need in America. People, you got to give people second chances. Okay, there's good people on both sides of the aisle. All right, so give racist dad a chance. Great show, love it. DVR it every night. Watch it at Mar-a-Lago while I masturbate.
Turning
Honestly,
its
sir?
back on Judeo-Christian values.
Oh.
Yeah, this
What are
considering
those values? What are the values it's turning
Is
its
that
back
Ben
on?
Shapiro?
I'm not inclined to continue in
Ben
interviews.
Shapiro has the nerd voice you do.
As badly motivated as you as an interviewer. So I think we're done here. I appreciate
walking
your
off?
time. sir.
All
Thank
right,
you so
well,
much.
thank you for your
Ben Shapiro
time
did
and
it.
for showing that anger
Bevy.
is not part of it.
Oh, wow. Ben Shapiro jumped down off of 4 Apple boxes and walked out the studio. Wow.
Now he had to wait for somebody to pick him up because he was like, if I fall, I'm going to break my ankle.
He was waiting in the dean office like, my mother's picking me up.
My mommy's coming to get me.
This is egregious. Mom picked me up. They were mean to me.
Yeah, they said some things that I didn't like.
They're like, Ben, can you stop dangling your feet? We're picking it up on the mic. Oh, Ben, stop tucking that fade, Ben. I want these fucking hands.
You want these hands?
I'm a wild pussy. So like, I would never fight any of you, because I'm wild buns.
Oh, boy.
You libtard.
Libtard. Liptard. I used to think that was the name of that show on ESPN, Dan Liptard.
Dan Liptard? You don't get the show.
Poppy's like, whoop. Yo, it's been episode 158.
158, motherfucker.
Very problematic episode. But we gave you a lot of stuff. We gave you cups opening this.
That's right.
This is coming
This summer.
Opening this summer. We gave you the I Be Thugging app,
know what I'm
which
saying?
provides mugshots and fingerprints to the cops.
Yep.
We gave you Racist Dad.
That's right.
Ghost Racist Dad.
Ghost Racist Dad. And what was the other one?
Anything else we gave him? What else we give him? Herpes.
Herpes. Yeah. Hold that. You know what I'm
Call me,
saying?
I'll call you.
You know what I mean?
All right, and I gotta leave because I feel something swelling on my lip. It's been your boy Jesus Nice, aka Young Chipotle, or Young Dukes Toros, depending on who wants to cut the check. Pocket stay fat like Terrio, aka Pocket stay fat like what?
Here we go.
And I mean, I don't want to brag, and I don't mean to boast, but I'm in your breakfast like morning toast.
Hey.
No, check out the kid Mero and I, just to see how brolic the brand is. Just wait, where is it? Just trying to bring it up so properly. Yo, shout out to Star vs. the Forces of Evil on the Disney Channel.
That's right.
Where myself and your boy Mero both appeared. You know what I'm saying? We were street nichers.
That's right.
Which is very, very.
It's a couple letters away from being problematic.
But yeah, that's right. The brand is Disney friendly. How
That's
sick
right.
are you?
You know what I'm saying?
How sick are you? You thought you were done with us. We're everywhere. We're reaching Kevin Hart levels,
You know
nigga.
what I'm saying? Ubiquity.
Listen,
Stupid.
You're gonna see us in a fucking colostomy bag commercial.
Bodega Boys is for the children.
For the children.
Stupid.
That's right. We do things for the little niggas, the little duns.
the little
And for the ones that
duns, you know
don't
what I
fuck with us, fuck them. You know what I'm saying?
Fuck
we
them
the only
kids.
people that are gonna go to the Teen Choice Award instead of like Goop coming out. It's gonna be street Henny slushies.
That's right.
Wild Henny colada on us. We're gonna be sticky all night. Like,
Maybe this was a bad idea. But
terrible
fuck it.
idea. Kids next to us like drunk off the fumes. Like, what's that kid from Baby Driver? And he's always like in the front row.
Ansel Elgort.
Yeah. These niggas is lit. Yo, Chris Stapps for Sling Day. I was not supposed to get rid of that. All right, well, it's still here. So I might know you a bit.
Hey.
Young Day Party, Young Hot Take. You know what? If the Knicks get one of the first 3 draft picks, I'll get rid of that. I will replace Chris Stapps. Okay?
Let's do it.
I'm not going to remember saying that, so hold me to it.
Yes. I won't remember either, but I'll write it down.
So I might know you. It's Young Day Party, Young Hot Take, DJ Fuego, Mr. Don's with around 1994 in New York. Mikel going off the Juve pause, MC Lico Gunga P, pulling up for 40 with your shorty, AK don't talk to me in the Uber pool. I don't know you.
That's right.
Did anyone
To
here
this
support
day.
the Uber strike? Anybody? No?
Yeah,
No? It was weird. They did it. First of all, the strike was supposed to be 2 hours on Wednesday morning during rush hour. And everyone was like, yo, it's all day. And if you ride in an Uber, you're a scab. All the people calling people scabs were like on a MacBook in like a coffee shop somewhere. Like, yo, you were a scab, whatever.
You're a scab. I live across the street from my job.
Yeah.
I make $8 million a year.
Listen, Uber's problematic, but there's better ways to fix it. AKA get into a relationship with someone with a car.
That's right.
The original +1 got +1, so don't make a fuss. And DJ Rothstein, the Jamaican Jew, Jermaine Avocado Toast, Young Pa, the ghost of Mufasa, Young Kakuni Rotacoonery, aka Chili Lamone, left-handed reliever for the Yankees, Kalo K. And shout out to everyone. You know, we got the celebrity baseball game coming. Everyone's saying, Jesus, why are you playing right field? Is that because you suck? And I was like, no, because like that's the positions they give you. But
Yeah, I mean-
also, it's not the World Series, nigga. I'm not going to do an extended leaping dive.
Yeah,
for your amusement.
no way. It's a softball game, guys.
Soft. Okay? Very soft.
I'm gonna softly jog to first if I make contact.
I'm going to be the only person ever in the history of Yankee Stadium to play the field with 2 beer mugs attached to the top of my hat and one of those tubes. Like,
They'll be like, Mero hits a ground rule double and
Wow.
stops at first.
how? Why did you just stop? You hate to see that.
Let's pull out a big ass Dominican flag. Like, hey, that's how we do it.
They'll be like, they'll be like, the yodeling kid has an inside the park home run because Desus apparently said the ball is too fucking far away. He's pointing at it like, someone come get this shit. Oh, okay. You hate this. Apparently, Desus has ordered Seamless, and he's asking the Seamless delivery person to pick up the ball and bring it to him. Oh,
He put it in his special directions.
yeah, I've never seen this before. He apparently has smuggled some sort of lawn chair apparatus into right field, and he's sunbathing.
Oh wow.
He has copper tone on his nose, and he has his shirt off.
Oh! Is there a fight? Oh no! Oh, Mero is smoking hookah in center field. How did that happen?
Wait, my eyes deceived me. Apparently, Mero has Hold on, wait. I can't. Oh, yeah, yes. Mero has erected a whole Mama Sushi. A whole Mama Sushi in center field.
How is this even going on?
Okay, they're telling us we have to stop the baseball game because there's a birthday party down and the PO's dancing on a table.
Unbelievable.
You hate to see it.
You hate to see it.
George Steinbrenner just comes back like, nah, too many Dominicans.
Dude, stop.
I want them all.
We got rid of Robbie. Get rid of him too.
Shout out to Robbie. How's he doing on the Mets? Doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter because the Mets don't. Sorry,
That's
Mets.
like you come to New York and then you just disappear into the media landscape.
Yo.
Don't hear nothing.
If he went back to the Yankees, boy, he'd be on front page every day. Every fucking day. Especially with everybody on the fucking DL.
But what would you rather have? Publicity or money? Like those headlines, they don't hit the same as those checks. You know what I mean?
That's true.
3 Jones, he's like Mac and the J Chuckle Stanley Cups, the human Dr. Bonner's label. I'm back on the Dr. Bonner's label. Dr. Bonner's tip
Because
it works. Okay. There's certain times like it's great for getting makeup off your face.
Respect.
Even though you can feel it like burning off your epidermis, but that's cool.
Okay,
man.
that's lit.
You don't need it anyway. Gianna the Trapio, Mr. 240p, because like my Pinot Blurry.
Yeah.
DJ Will. Oh wait, yeah, 240p, like my Pinot Blurry.
Yeah.
I don't like all that HT porn. Like that is too much. I don't need to see all that. Like, you know what I mean? Like I could read the name on the diploma on the wall. Like, nah, come on, man.
It's a little too much.
Just trying to. Listen, I'm Amish, trying to make butter, baby.
I don't want to tell that you have like calluses on your heels. Wow.
Yeah,
that's a lot.
Also, some people really like dirty feet in porn. Like I can't get with
dirty feet at all.
I can't get. I'm like, yo,
how do you do?
You just walking around the set naked
for mad long?
Or you came with flip flops off the train or some shit? Like, wash your feet. Wash your feet.
No.
You know what I'm saying? People eating ass and shit. I got no. Listen, I'll watch someone get fucked in the butt. They pull it out, suck on the dick, and put it right back in their butt. No problem.
None.
A dirty foot? I might leave a comment. Yeah. I might report the video.
Like, excuse me.
I'm like, you know what? You guys are fucking sick.
Unsanitary garbage.
There are children here.
You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
It's just disgusting.
By the way, the ATM category is pulling up stuff that is clearly not ATM stuff. Please get on that. No, I do not have a paid account. I'm asking a lot for a free account. DJ Woolite, aka listening to Watch FM. Here's a throwback that you might not even think is a throwback. Oh. Because you might have been around for this.
Woo! Oh!
He was here to save hip hop.
Yeah.
He was our white Kendrick Lamar.
Yo.
Bubba Sparks.
Bubba Sparks, y'all.
He never said the N-word, right?
No.
I just didn't trust it, though.
Yeah,
I didn't trust it.
I was like, yo, you from the South and you said the N-word?
I was like, you never said the N-word? Or you didn't say the N-word
once?
since you got on? And then you feel bad because you find out like these people never said the N-word. And he's like, damn I'm stereotyping all white people.
Damn, bro.
But then a white person calls you the N-word. You're like, see? Talk to your man.
See?
Talk to Trump.
Bubba, talk to him.
He's doing
wow.
He knows his lane. Country rap.
Yeah.
Country rap, I think you can say the N-word. Because we're not going to hear it.
Yeah, no.
When was the last time you was in the car, someone grabbed the aux cable and put on country rap?
Listen, never. Never.
Closest to country will go is like Lil Nas X.
That's it.
Anything else past that, I feel a little best described as lynchy.
Yeah, very lynchy.
Can't rock with it.
Can't
rock with it. You know what I mean?
Like Tommy's to the back of the truckie, like that.
America used to be good when you got some wood and you got your hood and you told those dark to get out your cul-de-sac. Yeah. Grab a baby, threw him to a gator. Grab a woman, told her see you later. Grab the husband and throw him in a sack.
Yeah, that's right. And when they pull up to your door, I want to hear you do click clack.
I'm like, and they're like, this is the number 1 song in the country. We're like, they don't play this on Hot 97
at all.
I never heard this
at all.
And then the name of the country is like, hang him from a tree, and you're like, what? How is it the name? They're like, nah. It was like, it's not about that.
Nah,
it's about hanging flags from the tree.
Yeah,
about flags mean black people.
Yeah,
like what,
motherfucker?
No, country music's kind of wash.
It is.
They'd be like driving the pickup truck and
just mad boring.
Yeah.
There was like one country artist that like a couple black people were fucking with, like music critics, and I was just like, nah.
Yeah.
I was just like, bro, I'm not even gonna try.
Yeah, just give it up. The only music you listen to at this point is smooth jazz.
Yeah, that's it.
Little Najee.
You know what I mean? Shout out to my nigga John Tesh. Shout out to my nigga Wayman Tisdale.
Oh yeah, he had the joints.
Yeah, joints, bro.
He had the joints.
What?
Woo.
You know what I'm saying? CD 101.9.
Cool. Yo, shout out to WPLJ, which is shutting down. You got your real not real hip hop, your real rock and roll.
Real 90s alternative rock.
There was like 80s, 90s, and music from today. Good shit. Do you not? Okay, where were we? The Curry Goat, these watching, Jamal Hathcorn, the Bronx Celine Dion, Ray and Nephew's nephew, the Reno, you cannot contain. The Human Meme, word to Ja, Young Aaron, the racist provocateur, Hedwig Budquist, Nelson Bangdella, Sergio Can't See Me, Vladimir Buford, the Human Werther's melting in your mouth, Mr. Bex on Deck, Ricky Tiki Squabi, Greg Popovich, Morris Savage Chestnut, Mahatma Gandhi. Not Maccabee, but I got that cucumber. That's right. The juice of press, but your boy never is. I am the art, damn it. The Dundada Ganoush, no more cup of news, the Prince of Peckham, the Fashion Nova Cash Nova. We 8 cents, 5 cents, $10. Forget the small change. Big money wine. The only anthem I salute is Dipset. Mr. Sager catch me at square one top left. Trill Rizzuto, holy cow. Mr. Soft Pumps, because all I do is count checks and jerk off. We got OJ Purple Stuff Soda, and it's me, Sunny D. Hey. David Yerman. These expensive, these are rare bottles, these are party shows. Smokeem Noah, Andrew Cool Nanny, aka the Junior Energy God Junior. Come sit down, prime me
Sip
charger.
on it.
Call me Petco, because I got your bitch on freeze. The topic of gossip and Sayasa, shout out to 11791. Aka Grandpa Joe, when you see Charlie, you see me. Don't touch that golden ticket. Your man, Dead Eye Jesus. Morning, Sheriff. Yeah. Been shopping that street easy with bad breeze like I'm easy, please believe me. The black Asiatic addict who'll crack your back like an automatic Craftmatic. Mr. La Marina, Mesh Marina with a fresh misdemeanor and a cold demeanor. The sheep mask killer. No one gonna be Ella.
That's right.
The black Zach Morris, support Morris, aka Problematic Bay. Listen, just because the car says it can't take diesel doesn't mean it can't take diesel.
It can.
It can't. Any car can take diesel if you try hard enough.
You know what I'm saying? The only person who can't take diesel is Charles Barkley. Woo! Oh, hold that, you pussy.
Twism.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah.
Shakalicious.
Oh, shakalicious, baby.
Shakalicious.
You know what I'm saying? And it's your boy. We are wrapping up here. It's your boy, the King Mero, a.k.a. the Human Durag Flap, a.k.a. Donovan McDab, a.k.a. Curve Gotti, a.k.a. Triz Khalifa. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. Skirt Loader. Hop the curb, hit your fucking French poodle, keep it moving, nigga. Ask me if I give a fuck. I do not. A.k.a. I do fucking baby, I fucking mang, my nigga. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. no need to check the guest list, motherfucker. I am the guest list. I was the bird in that movie, Rio, nigga. Don't fucking touch me. Yo, Nate, shoot this nigga's fucking eyelashes off, son. I'm not fucking playing with these niggas no more. You know what I'm saying? Word. Hit the other one too, yeah. A.k.a. CC Dab Mafia, you know what I'm saying? A.k.a. get into the shmoney and the smoke. It's your boy Goldman. You know what I mean? A.k.a. I got my boys doing shooting drills with KD in a Knicks jersey because I'm the motherfucking dad of the year. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. Bitch Smack Me on your mother. A.k.a. Diego Maradona. You know what I'm saying? I won the cup in 94, nigga. And by cup, I mean a cup full of yay, nigga. A.k.a. dick in your baby mama, you don't come in this pussy no more. This pussy belong to me, okay? A.k.a. David Trisdale, nigga. Pow, pow. I'll take that for data, nigga. Give me Zion or give me death.
Exactly.
You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean?
Print the t-shirt.
Yeah. A.k.a. Barlow Santana. So smooth. I fall asleep at the wheel and catch a zip car. Right in the Lincoln Tunnel. I don't give a fuck. I get out that shit and run, nigga.
Isn't that the Kid Mero?
Yeah, it is. I got my name
they
on my
fuck
back
it
of
up.
my
They be
shirt.
like, oh shit, Jesus crashed a zip car. And you run back like, that was actually, I'm actually Mero.
I'm
like,
Mero.
I don't want y'all to tell her. I just don't want you to be confused.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? A.k.a. the Dominican done not take me daddy. A.k.a. swear my God again, there's definitely money in it. Don't make me embarrass you in front of your fucking management when they come up here and ask for quick selfies and ask me how Heather and the kids are doing. Steven! You like your little Dollar Tree cashier job, Michael?
Why do you come in here every
You know
week
what I'm
and
saying?
harass me?
Because you're a fucking dick. Put the fucking SpaghettiOs in the bag and keep it fucking moving, bro. That's all I got to say to you. Now, don't look at me in my face. That's why I'm wearing sunglasses, stupid. A.k.a. Romeo Santos. Tu favorito, mami. I'm so nasty. No aventura on decky. Those are my brothers. We love our fans so much. Let me put my Chelsea boot in your ass, ma. That's right. Oh, Let me find out. You got colitis. A.k.a. Lighten out Dutchy. Hello? Is it weed you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes. That you broke and say got 5, so get the fuck out of here, nigga.
How you got 5?
You
It's
got 5, man.
2019,
Come on,
nigga.
son. We buying fucking QPs, nigga. We doing it.
All right.
Stop playing. You know what I'm
Nigga,
saying?
we gotta weigh the shit they weigh the whales with.
Yeah, that's right. You know what I'm saying?
See, why would you register a whole session at the fucking weight center?
Yeah.
The weight center. Nigga, this is half a brick.
Yeah.
There's like semi-tractor trailers have been waiting here for 5. I'm like,
What are
nigga,
you
just
doing?
weigh that shit.
Just wait.
Just
Shut the
weigh
fuck
it.
up.
I want to see.
It's a flex. It's a
Niggas like,
flex.
I'm like,
Yeah.
Yeah, Julio. Okay, release the money.
Yeah, okay, cool.
Thanks.
All right, cool, thanks.
See you next
AKA Tom Brizzy, got my balls inflated like Bobby Kraft, nigga. We getting table showers out here. AKA Field Ass Tyson. I want to consensually explore your cosmos, man. You know what I'm saying? AKA Lil Snoozy, first nigga to tap out on live, been doing it. You know what I'm saying?
Wake
AKA,
up, nigga.
You know what I'm saying? What? A gorilla! You know what I'm saying? Oh my God! AKA Final Messi MVP of Gelato, AKA Zenniel Bedingfield. I ain't gotta get some sticks.
That's right.
I ain't gotta get some sticks. AKA Joe Hookah. I dare you to smoke with me at Mama Sushi. You know what I'm saying? Gotta be the flagship. You know what I'm saying? And Pio gotta be flipping your clothes or you're not official. AKA Ben Boston. My hands are gifted. I performed Taylor Swift's back reduction surgery, which was unfortunately my only failure as a surgeon. Damn. I'll be back next week though, nigga. AKA, I'll be your medicine cabinet. You know who the fuck it is, man. It's the Sandman. AKA Rico Sabroso. That's what your girl called me. You know what I'm saying? AKA Lucius lying ass nigga, man. Come on, man. There's no possible way a canine mammal can smell cocaine through plastic and Vaseline and coffee grinds. Come on now, man. Has he ever done cocaine, officer? How can you trust him, officer? Come on now. Come on now. I throw Jamal in the garbage, man. Come on now. AKA Baby New for 2-5 niggas got garbage down the way. AKA Nino Brown should have caught it down. Got your titi bagging up fucking butt Nil Z in the fucking living room, nigga.
Titi, what are you doing?
Yo, she's naked. Let her back up, nigga. Let her do her thing.
Did you eat? Let me finish bagging up and I can make you a plate.
All right, thank you. But could you put your titties away? You're making me uncomfortable, Titi.
No, I got 2 8 balls under these. It's very long.
Oh, okay. Tato. Okay, live from Burger King on Burnside, opening doors for patrons while eating a zesty onion ring sauce and nothing else. It's the East Tremont Stevie B doing all his greatest hits like I Wanna Be the One Your Titi is Sucking and Dope Sick Love. Don't let me leave. You know what I'm saying? Hey. I slow down for a second. I know that a lot of you think that you may be a rock star, but you are not a rock star. There's only 2. There's only 2 left. The Bodega Boys, of which I am one. The plans ain't supernova in the sky. One day you will find me smoking weed on Tremont with a guitar that I'm gonna sell for weed. You know what I'm saying?
Sweet.
You know what I'm saying? I put it on that stupid app. Let go, whatever the fuck this shit is called.
Oh, do you fuck with that app?
Not at all.
It seems weird. It seems like a good way to get people into your house to murder you.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. That's why I
come to the place where I reside to come get the package.
Yeah.
I am selling you, and I don't know where you live, and you're gonna come here with a gun. Probably.
I don't know if you're paying me or not.
Yeah.
Let's just roll the dice.
Maybe you're coming here because I'm selling baby clothes, and you're gonna cut the baby out my pregnant wife.
Yeah.
Who knows?
Who knows? Maybe.
Okay.
Yeah.
Roll the dice.
Yeah, let's see what happens. I'm a betting man. Okay, I met Mike Francis. I'm never gonna fail. You know what I'm saying? I never said that. AK, chilling at the crib off edibles, balancing his portfolio with moderate risk investments. It's your boy, Bormello's Anthony.
3.
I'm gonna put this in my manila folder. If you see me at Target testing almond butter with my hands, with my eyes redder than a bowl of ragu, motherfucker, approach me like an ursine mammal, nigga, I may react erratically if I'm with my cubs, nigga. You know what I'm saying? Don't make me put this little tiny Pizza Hut pizza in your face. You know what I'm saying? Because it's gonna brown you, nigga. You know what I'm saying? Hey kids, it's Benzo the Clown. Hi for me kid's birthday party. I'll show up to your kid's birthday party after it's over. And for my grand finale, I'll fall asleep and urinate on myself. You're not getting your deposit back, sucker. I hope you got Scotch Guard on your couch. Peace. AKA, I sold fake lean to your favorite SoundCloud rapper. He's out of vegetable and Arizona watermelon juice. Nigga, I don't give a fuck.
Oh, no.
You know what I'm saying? AKA, ¿qué fue? Hasan, tírame la pista, coño. Llegó el de FIFA, coño. Lo más lindo que ha tirado Trimo. Más duro que un mojón de Voltron. Tú sabes que loco conmigo, el que mueve el movimiento. Tengo tu jeva en la cola de mi Yamaha porque tengo la lengua más larga que una sábana. You know what I'm saying? Yo pinto caro, yo pinto rico. ¿Y tú?
Shout out to mi gente. Shout out Daiana. Shout out East shout out todo el Bronx. Shout out Patterson. Shout out Bergen Line. Todo mi gente. En Lawrence. Todo lo mío. You know what I'm saying? Toto mamo. You know what I'm saying? That's a double entendre in Spanish. You know what I'm saying? Don't ask me how. You know what I'm saying?
How?
You know what I'm saying? Because Toto mamo means like we all drink, but Toto also means pussy, and mamo means suck. So you could be like, yo, we all drink and we all eat pussy. You know what I'm saying?
Got you.
Double entendre, nigga. Pow. You know what I'm saying? Shout out Showtime. Shout out a La Casa. You know what I'm saying? Shout out Cash Out. Y como siempre, shout out Los Smith. You know what I'm saying? Y tú no tienes cuarto, quédate en tu casa acostado. Fucking guaremate. You know what I'm saying? Shout out Hasan, el que pone la nota. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Y shout out a toda la gente que representan the Bodega Boys brand. You know what I'm saying? Shout out Basti, Jubilee, dímelo. Bloquete Capitán. Y shout out al presidente Pío, coño, el secretario de defensa, activo con el cañón. Me quité. Ya. You know what I'm saying? Mira el pelo. Orgullo. Mira el pelo de tigre aquí que tenemos aquí. Mira el pelo. Mira. Qué belleza. Qué belleza. Nos fuimos.
I don't know what that means. Maybe they're starting the race war or something. But to episode 158, live from the milk room. Next week I'm gonna have some black people in here. We're gonna talk in Ebonics. Yo, it's been real. Talk to you later. We out. Peace.